on to the next new chapter, linear inequalities. So, ivlo now we were learning about equalities. Equations படிச்சிட்டு இருந்தோம். What is an equation? When you have 2x is equal to 6. So, this is going to be an equation. So, it is going to be an equality. அப்படினா ரெண்டுமே equal அப்படினா equality. இப்போ they are not equal, but ஏதோ ஒரு relation இருக்கு ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் நடுவுல. So, what is the relation? When we have 2x is less than 6 or 2x is greater than 6, we say that there is inequality. Okay, so inequality இருக்கு. So இந்த மாதிரி கேसेसல என்ன சொல்லுவோம், 2x less than or equal to 6 இப்படி இருந்ததுனா we have both equality and inequality. So இத ரெண்டா பிரிச்சு எழுதினா we'll have 2x less than 6 and 2x equal to 6. These are the two different equations that we have. Correct? So this is linear inequalities. Linear na we just saw what is an inequality. What is a linear inequality? Linear na என்ன, இவ்ளோ நாள் படிச்சிட்டு இருந்ததே linear தான். So when you have 2x plus 6 equal to 0, this is linear. அப்படினா the power of x is 1. Then you have 2x square plus 3x plus 6 power of x and the highest power of x. What is the highest power of x in the polynomial? 2. Highest power தான பார்க்கணும். So what is the polynomial here? It is a quadratic equation. Power வந்து 2. If you have 2x cube plus something something, this is going to be a cubic. So இது வந்து linear. So this is going to be a quadratic equation and this is going to be a cubic equation. So இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். So quadratic தெரியும், cubic தெரியும், linearம் தெரியும், but linearக்கு இவ்வளவு நாள் என்ன பேர்னே தெரியாம நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So in this chapter we are going to learn about linear inequalities. Equality இத்தனை நாள் பார்த்தாச்சு, இப்போ inequality. So what all do you have here? So இந்த இடத்துல ax plus b is less than 0, greater than 0. இதெல்லாம் வந்து strict inequality. You see that there is no equal to symbol. இந்த இடத்துல இந்த மாதிரி equal to symbol இல்ல. So these are strict inequalities. இந்த இடத்துல they are not strict inequalities, they are called slack inequalities. இந்த இடத்துல உங்களுக்கு தெரியுது, they are called slack inequalities. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி பார்த்தது strict inequalities. அதுக்கு அப்புறமா என்ன இருக்கு? So this is dealing with only one variable, x மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. இங்க இந்த equationsல என்ன இருக்கு? I have both x and y. So two different variables deal பண்ற மாதிரி equations. Here I have quadratic equations. Even now we were dealing with linear and these two are quadratic equations. They are not linear but they are quadratic inequalities. Okay, இப்போ ஒரு equation இருக்குன்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. You have 30x is less than 200 அப்படி இருக்குனா, for example I'll take a different value. So I'll take 210 இப்படி எடுத்துக்கிறேன். So when I have 30x is equal to 210, what will be my value of x? 210 divided by 30, 0 cancel ஆயிடும், 3 7s are 21. So what is my value of x? It is going to be 7. But what happens when I have an inequality? Inequality இருந்ததுனா I can write this as 30x less than 210, x is less than 210 divided by 30, 0 cancel ஆச்சுனா I have x is less than 7. So I have x less than 7. Now what all values can I have? When it comes to natural numbers, my values can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, but when I have x is less than 0, இந்த இடத்துல equality இல்லனா x is equal to 7 is not a solution. It is false. இங்க அத கொடுத்திருக்கு. So which is false. X is equal to 7 is not a solution because we are dealing with x less than 7. X less than or equal to 7 கிடையாது. So it does not include 7. It only includes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the basic linear inequality oda theory. So please take a look or take a screenshot. We'll solve some examples and exercise questions. You'll understand this better. In the chapter ரொம்ப easy, but calculations la ரொம்ப careful இருக்கணும், because even if you make a small mistake, the entire answer is going to be wrong. Correct ah போட்டா ரொம்ப simple, 4 steps தான் answer. Okay, next we have two different rules. என்னென்ன rules இருக்கு? Rule 1 is that equal numbers can be added or subtracted without affecting the sign. அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? So for explanation I'll give you an example. So if we have 2x plus 6 less than 2, இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு equation இருக்கு. So what am I doing? 2x is less than 2 minus 6, 2x is less than minus 4, x is less than minus 4 by 2, x is less than minus 2. இங்க நான் என்ன பண்றேன்? What am I actually doing? I'm going to explain these two rules with this example. So first step la what I'm doing is I have 2x plus 6 less than 2. So I'm trying to bring this minus 6 to the other side, or in other words what am I doing? I'm subtracting minus 6 on both sides. So in that way I'm subtracting by minus 6, in that way I'm subtracting by minus 6. So what will I have? Minus 6 minus 6 cancel achna, I'll be left with 2x less than 2 minus 6 is minus 4. So that's in the step. So what am I doing? I am adding or subtracting equal values on both sides of the inequality. So this is rule number 1 without affecting the sign of the inequality. இப்போ இங்க less than இருக்குனா இங்க என்ன இருக்கு? less than தான் இருக்கு. So it did not affect the inequality. Okay, இப்போ next step என்ன பண்ணேன்? What did I do? I brought the 2 to the other side, divide பண்ணேன். அப்படினா நான் I'm going to divide both the equations, both the inequalities by 2. So I'm going to do 2x divided by 2 less than minus 4 divided by 2. ரெண்டு சைடுமே divided by the same number பண்ணா it is not going to change the inequality. So இங்க என்ன ஆகும்? The 2 and the 2 gets cancelled. Here I'll have 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. I'll be left with minus 2. So what is my final answer? X less than minus 2. So these two are giving me the same value. So என்ன பண்றேன்? Basically I can add or subtract the same numbers on both sides of the inequality. This is one thing. And I can divide or multiply by the same number on both sides of the inequality. But division ko multiplication ko, this is applicable only for positive numbers. What happens when you multiply or divide by a negative number? If for example I have 3 is less than 5, is this true? Yes. Now I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1. இப்போ minus 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா minus 3 less than minus 5. But is this true? No. In your number line minus 1 இங்க இருக்கு, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 1, 2. 2 is greater than 1. அப்போ minus 5 எங்க இருக்கு? Minus 5 is less than minus 3. Do you see that? Minus 3 is greater than minus 5. இதுதான் கரெக்ட், இது தப்பு. So what you have to do whenever you're multiplying or dividing by negative numbers, you have to reverse your inequality. So whenever 3 less than 5 irukku, I'm going to multiply by minus 1 on both sides, or I'm going to multiply by minus 2 nu vechukalam in the case la. So what will I have? Minus 6. I'm going to reverse the inequality. இந்த பக்கம் multiply பண்ணா I'll have minus 10. So this statement is true. What happens when I divide by negative numbers, for example 10 is greater than 8. I'm going to divide both the inequalities by minus 2. If 10 divided by minus 2 is minus 5, 8 divided by minus 2 is going to be minus 4, but my greater than symbol will become less than symbol. Okay, the inequality changes its symbol. Greater than less than I know, less than greater than I know, vice versa. Okay, so whenever you're multiplying or dividing by negative numbers, the inequality reverses. But whenever you're adding or subtracting positive or negative numbers, inequality maradu. Multiplication ku division ku mattum is applicable. Okay, please pay attention. These are some basic concepts. This is rule number 1 and rule number 2. So rule number 2 both sides of the inequality can be multiplied by the same positive number, but when both sides are multiplied or divided by negative number, then the inequality is reversed. Okay, this concept is very, very important. Negative number all multiply divide panna inequality tabalnu maathino marandukudadu. Okay, now let's do some example questions. You'll understand this concept much more clearly. Now, what do we have? First question, solve 30x less than 200. I'm going to divide both sides by 30. So what will I have? 30x divided by 30 less than 200 divided by 30. So what will I have? 13 13 cancel I know. So x is less than 0 0 cancel achna 20 divided by 3. 20 divided by 3 is what? Some 6 point something. Yeah? So 20 divided by 3 is 6 times 6 3s are 18 2. So 6.666. This is a recurring thing. So x is less than 6.666. But they're asking solve for x when x is a natural number. Natural number na natural numbers are numbers starting from 1 to infinity. 1 2 3 4 in the mari until infinity, only positive numbers. These are natural numbers. If x is less than 6 9, what all values? X is equal to, you can take the value 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, you can take all these 6 values. So these are the values of x. This is the set of all values. In the solution set, this is the solution set for x. So this is natural numbers. If integers na what are all your integers? Integers also include negative numbers, correct? If 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 வரைக்கும் ஒரு range இருக்கு. இப்போ negative numbers என்ன இருக்கு? I have 0 -1 -2 and so on. There is no end. So negative integers minus infinity வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. So what are the solution set? What is the solution set for x? I'll have minus infinity ல இருந்து எடுத்து I'll have all the values -2 -1 0 and so on. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So இது வரைக்கும் இருக்கு values. Okay, let me write this properly. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right hand side க்கு தான் limit இருக்கு. Left hand side க்கு limit இல்ல. Infinity minus infinity வரைக்கும் போகுது. Okay, please copy. So we have learned for natural numbers and integers. Okay, example 2. I have 5x minus 3 less than 3x plus 1. So what am I going to do? First step enna panna pora, இந்த minus 3 நான் அந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போணும். So I'm going to add plus 3 on both sides. So I have 5x minus 3 plus 3 less than 3x plus 1 plus 3. Whenever I add or subtract the same values on both sides, the inequality is not going to change. So in that, why am I doing this? I need to cancel my minus 3 and plus 3. Next question la நம்ம direct ஆவே போட்டுறலாம், but this is the actual method. You have to understand why we are doing that. Okay, so in that 5x is less than 3x plus 4. Now I need to bring the 3x to the other side. அப்ப நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I'm going to subtract by 3x on both sides. So I have 5x minus 3x less than 4 plus 3x minus 3x. So இப்போ இந்த பக்கமும் 3x and 3x is going to get cancelled. So I'll be left with 5x minus 3x and 2x less than 4. இப்போ next step என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I'm going to divide both the sides by 2. So I'll have 2x divided by 2 less than 4 divided by 2. So I'll have x less than 2. The 2 and the 2 will get cancelled. 4 divided by 2 is a 2. Okay, so x is less than 2. இப்போ general கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. இப்போ first subsection என்ன? X is an integer and x is a real number. X is an integer na என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? X is an integer, meaning it is going to have all the values until 2 and not including 2. In that x is equal to 2 irukka kadiyadhu. We only have x is less than 2. So it does not include the value 2. So I'll have 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. So these are my set of all values for x. So dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Okay, so these are all the values of integer. Ipo second subsection enna? Second subsection is x is a real number. Real number na enna artham? X is a real number. So real number includes natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers. In the mari ellame included. Okay, real number can be 1, 1.111. Real numbers include everything that we know in numbers. Point, decimal point of it. So rational number 1 by 2 is also a real number. I'll have root 3 is also a real number. Though it is an irrational number, it is also a real number. So if a real number na, my x is less than 2. So it will include all the values until 2. Appo idoda range eppadi edala? X belongs to minus infinity, comma 2 not including 2. Adina natham 1.9999 is also included. And in the infinity ku munadi enna number irukku enak theriyadhu. So maybe you will have minus 1.111. I have minus 10.999. In the mari ella number included, whichever is less than 2. I do not have the value 2, I do not have the value 3 and I do not have the value 4. In the mari right hand side la endha value me illa. My range of x is less than 2. So I'll only have the values which are less than 2. So minus infinity varaikum values pogudu. Okay, so this is how you write for real numbers. Henceforth we are only going to deal with real numbers. Integers, natural numbers la nama paaka podu kadiyadhu. We are only going to deal with real numbers. So in the mari range எழுதுறதுக்கு தெரியும். If x is less than 2, we'll have all the values from minus infinity to 2. If x is greater than 2, all the values from 2 to positive infinity. Okay, so this is how you write. If it is including 2, I'll put a square bracket. If it is not including 2, I'll put a circular bracket. Okay, so this is the only difference. Please copy. Example 3. So if you solve பண்ணலாமா? I'm not going to do adding minus 3 on both sides, adding plus 7 on both sides. இதெல்லாம் பண்ண போறதில்ல. I'm going to directly do it. So please pay attention. Don't mess up with the inequalities. Negative number ஆல multiply divide பண்ணும்போது மட்டும் நான் slow-ஆ போறேன். Okay, so now what do I have? 4x plus 3 less than 6x plus 7. I'm going to take the 3 to the other side. So I have 4x less than 6x plus 7 minus 3. Plus 3 becomes a minus 3 when it goes to the other side. Normal equality la nama panna mariye dhaan, but in that we have inequalities. Okay. Now what do I have? 4x less than 6x plus 4. Now I'm going to bring the minus 6x to the other side. So it becomes a minus 6x. So 4x minus 6x less than 4. So I have minus 2x less than 4. Now I'm going to divide both sides by minus 2. Dividing by minus 2. I'm going to divide by a negative number. Appo enna agum? Minus 2x divided by 2. In the pakam minus 2 divided by 4 divided by minus 2. Appo inequality enna agum? The inequality is going to reverse its sign. So the greater than less than symbol is going to become a greater than symbol. Okay. Please pay attention. So what will happen in that 2 and minus 2 and the minus 2 will get cancelled. So I'll be left with x greater than 4 divided by minus 2 is going to give me a minus 2. Okay. It is not x less than minus 2. It is going to be x greater than minus 2. So in the range of x belongs to, it does not include the value of minus 2. So circular bracket including minus 2 na I'll put a square bracket. Okay. Please pay attention. So minus 2 length positive infinity varaikum it includes all the values. Okay. Please copy. Example 4. Anyway, sums வந்து ஸ்லோவா அப்படியே பெருசாயிட்டே போகும். Okay, so you just have to do the same thing. Calculationல mistake பண்ணாம change the inequality whenever you're dealing with negative numbers. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay. Now 5 minus 2x divided by 3 less than or equal to. இவ்வளவு நேரம் strict inequality பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தோம். இப்போ slack inequality பார்க்க போறோம். So I'll have going to take the LCM here. So I have x minus 6 5s are 30 the whole divided by 6. Okay, இந்த இடத்துல LCM எடுக்கிறேன். That is all I'm doing. Now I'm going to cross multiply. So what will I have? 6 times 5 minus 2x less than or equal to 3 times x minus 30. I'm just getting rid of the denominator by cross multiplying. Okay. Now what will I have? Bracket multiply panna 6 5s are 30 minus 6 2s are 12 x less than or equal to 3x minus 90. Okay. Now what happens? I'm going to bring 12x to the other side. So I'll have 30 less than or equal to 3x plus 12x minus 90. Now I'm going to bring the minus 90 to the other side. So I'll have 30 plus 90 less than or equal to 3x plus 12x. So 12 plus 12x plus 3x is 15x. 15x. I have 90 plus 30 which is 120 less than or equal to 15x. So what do I have? X less than or equal to 120 divided by 15. Either further simplify panna enna agum? 5 3s are 5 2s are 10 20 5 4s are 3 8s are. So I'll have 8 less than or equal to x or x is greater than or equal to 8. Okay, clear? இந்த இடத்துல inequality எல்லாம் மாத்தல. நான் x 8 மட்டும் பொசிஷன் மாத்திட்டேன். Okay, x is greater than or equal to 8 now what does my x belong to? It belongs to closed interval. Closed interval na square bracket. It also includes 8. So 8 until infinity. Okay, infinity க்கு எப்பவுமே square bracket போடக்கூடாது. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Example 5. இப்போ வந்து we are going to deal with graph number line. Okay. So இப்போ 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9 இருக்கு. இதை solve பண்ண போறோம். So I have 7x plus 3 less than 5x plus 9. I'm going to bring 5x to the other side. So 7x minus 5x less than 9 minus 3. So இந்த இடத்துல 5x கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். இந்த இடத்துல 3 கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். Okay, that is all I did. Now I have 2x less than 9 minus 3 is 6. X is less than 3. So this is my solution. So it will include x belongs to minus infinity until 3 and not including 3. Okay, இப்போ solution நம்ம எப்படி எழுத போறோம்? I'll have 3 is not included. So 3 க்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு மார்க் பண்ண போறோம். Very very close to 3 I'm going to have a mark. I'm going to draw a line. இந்த line எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be like this. So this is the final answer. So this is how your number line looks. Okay, so this is your solution. Please copy. Example 6. Again I'm going to solve the inequality. இப்போ என்ன இருக்கு? I have 3x minus 4 3x minus 4 divided by 2 greater than or equal to, I'm going to take the LCM. So I have x plus 1 minus 4 divided by 4. LCM எடுக்கிறேன். Okay. Now I'm going to cross multiply. So 4 times 3x minus 4 greater than or equal to 2 times x minus 3. 1 plus 1 minus 4 is going to give me minus 3. So in that bracket open panna I have 12x minus 16 greater than or equal to 2x minus 6. 12x minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 6 plus 16. Okay, clear? இந்த இடத்துல 2x இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். இந்த இடத்துல minus 16 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். Okay, that is all I did. 12x minus 2x is 10x greater than or equal to minus 6 plus 16 is 10. So x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so this is my solution. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? X belongs to including 1 until infinity. So this is my final answer. இப்போ graph எப்படி போட போறோம்? I'm going to put the graph now. It includes the value of 1. X is greater than 1, so it includes all the value until infinity. So I'll have this to be my plot. So இதுதான் number line it is my final answer. Okay, examல இந்த மாதிரி மார்க் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த மாதிரி mark with a different color pen or a pencil. Okay, please copy. Example 7. So even in your equations you have such questions. இந்த மாதிரி questions கொடுத்து frame the equation அப்படிலாம் கொடுப்பாங்க. So அந்த மாதிரி you also have an inequality. So you have to understand the question very very carefully. You have to make sure if it is less than symbol or greater than symbol. இது ரொம்ப ரொம்ப important. Okay, now what is given? The marks obtained by a student of class 11 in the first and the second terminal exams are 62 and 48. So first exam level வந்திருக்கு 62, second examல 48. Find the minimum marks he should get in the annual exam. So third examல எவ்வளோ to have an average of 60 marks, at least 60 marks அப்படினா அர்த்தம் 60வது வரணும். So he can also get 65, he can also get 66, he can also get 90, he can also get 100. So at least 60 marks na அர்த்தம் he has to at least get greater than or equal to 60. 60 க்கு மேலயும் இருக்கலாம் 60 ஆவும் இருக்கலாம். So you have to understand the question. What has to be greater than or equal to 60? Minimum mark என்னவா இருக்கணும் so that the average is at least 60. Average na அர்த்தம் 62 plus 48 plus let me take this mark to be x. இத நான் x எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Average na I have 3 different marks, so divided by 3. 3 different marks இருந்ததுனா sum by the total. This average has to be at least 60. At least 60 na greater than or equal to 60. இந்த என்ன மார்க் வேணாலும் வரலாம். So he has to score some value of x for his average to be at least 60. இப்போ இதை சால்வ் பண்ணலாமா? What is 62 plus 48? It is going to be 110 plus x greater than or equal to, I'm going to cross multiply, 6 3s are 18, so 180. X is greater than or equal to 180 minus 110, x is greater than or equal to 70. Okay, so he has to score at least 70 marks in his final examination. Annual examல 70 marks இல்ல 70 லேந்து 70 71 72 until 100. so இதுல இருந்து என்ன மார்க் வாங்குனாலும் his average is going to be at least 60. இப்போ 70 marks கரெக்ட்டா வாங்குனானா his average is going to be 60. if he scores 70 marks his average is going to be 60. if he scores 71 marks his average is going to increase. இந்த மாதிரி 100 marks எடுத்தானா his average will even more increase. okay, so இந்த மாதிரி subsectionsல எதா கேட்டாங்கனாலும் போட தெரியும். so this is how you solve, this is how you frame the linear inequality ஓட equation. okay, this is not an equation, this is an inequation. okay, please copy. 8th example, find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Consecutive odd natural numbers. Natural numbers nale the numbers are 1 2 3 4 and so on. Odd numbers na 1 3 5 7 இந்த மாதிரி odd numbers. Consecutive odd natural numbers. so 1 3 5 7 இந்த மாதிரி consecutive odd numbers which are both larger than 10. so the number, let me take one number to be x and other number is x plus 2. correct. இப்போ first number 1 na second number என்ன 3. so 1 க்கும் 3 க்கும் என்ன difference 2. so 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 is again 5. 5 plus 2 is again 7. so this is how you get. so how are you going to take your two numbers x and x plus 2? it is also given that both of which are larger than 10. ரெண்டு நம்பருமே larger than 10 அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? x has to be greater than 10 னா இல்ல x plus 2 has to be greater than 10 னா? how do you know which of these to take? ரெண்டு நம்பருமே 10 விட greater இருக்கணும். but you only should have one condition. you cannot have two different inequations. so அப்ப நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? you have to choose either of these. இது ரெண்டுத்துல எதை choose பண்ணனும்னு எப்படி தெரியும்? you have to have both numbers should be greater than 10. இப்போ x ஓட வேல்யூ 9 ஆ இருந்ததுனா x plus 2 is going to be 9 plus 2 which is greater than 10. so இப்போ 9 plus 2 is 11 which is greater than 10. so this particular equation is satisfied. but இந்த இடத்துல 9 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? 9 is greater than 10 னா? no. so this particular equation has to be greater than 10. இது greater னா இது வந்து definitely greater தான் இருக்க போகுது. okay, it has to satisfy this particular equation when you are dealing with larger numbers. இதே மாதிரி இந்த particular condition எடுக்கணும் when you have less than. okay, greater than இருந்ததுனா இந்த condition எடுக்கணும். I'll explain it again. so you have two different conditions. ரெண்டு condition இருக்கு. x greater than 10 and x is greater x plus 2. அதாவது two numbers, all the two numbers should be greater than 10. so these two conditions should be satisfied, but you have to choose only one of these conditions to solve this question. so எதை solve பண்ணுவோம்? இந்த இடத்துல x ஓட value 11 ஆ இருந்ததுனா 11 is greater than 10, so this is definitely satisfied. 11 plus 2 greater than 10 னா number 13 is greater than 10 which is also satisfied. so ரெண்டு equationும் happy. இப்போ first equation மறந்துட்டு second equation மட்டும் எடுத்துக்கறோம்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. இப்போ இது solve பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? I'll have x plus 2 greater than 10, x is greater than 8. so when x is greater than 8 na I can pick a number 9. correct. this satisfies the equation. but x is equal to 9 இந்த இடத்துல இந்த equation la substitute பண்ணா what will I have? 9 is greater than 10 which is not true. okay, it has to satisfy both the equations. so in this particular question you are going to choose this particular equation. you are not going to choose this particular equation. ஏனா இந்த equation மட்டும் எடுத்தா it is not going to satisfy my other equation. it has to satisfy both my equations. so what is my other condition? x is greater than 10. this is one condition, both of which are larger than 10. first பார்த்தாச்சு. such that their sum is less than 40. sum of the two numbers is less than 40. so what is my other equation? x plus x plus 2 is less than 40. sum of the two numbers is less than 40. less than or equal to or less than correct ah paaknom. okay, so these are my two equations. I'm going to solve them. so I have x plus x is 2x plus 2 less than 40. 2x is less than 40 minus 2. 2x is less than 40 minus 2 in 38. so x is less than 38 divided by 2, which means x is less than 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. so x is less than 18 and x is greater than 10. so what is my range of x? x is going to be 10 less than x less than 19. x oda value 10 க்கும் 19 க்கும் நடுவுல இருக்க போகுது. so what are all my values of x? x is going to take the values 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 எடுக்க போறது கிடையாது. but we are dealing with consecutive numbers, consecutive odd numbers. so what all numbers can you take? what all numbers do you have? if x is equal to 11 my numbers will be 11 and 13. if x is equal to 13 my numbers will be 13 and 15. correct. the numbers are x comma x plus 2. இதுதான் உங்களோட ordered pair. so you have 11 comma 13 13 comma 15. what is my value of x is 15? it is going to be 15 comma 17. x is equal to 17 na 17 comma 19. okay, so these are all my values of x. இந்த இடத்துல 19 include ஆகல. இந்த இடத்துல எப்படி 19 வந்ததுன்னு கேட்க கூடாது, because your x ஓட value is only 17. your equation, your other number is x plus 2. okay, the value of x is still less than 19. okay, don't get confused. these are all your answers. so what are the odd numbers? your final answer is going to be ordered pair 11 comma 13 13 comma 15 15 comma 17 and 17 comma 19. so these are your required ordered pair solutions. okay, please pay attention. சரியா? இந்த இடத்துல 19 include ஆகல, அப்புறம் எப்படி 19 வந்தது அப்படினா you have to understand that x ஓட value is 17. it is not 19. x plus 2 is 19. okay, please understand. copy. Moving on to exercise questions. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி example எப்படி நம்ம solve பண்ணுவோம், I'm going to solve similarly. Please watch my previous videos for example questions. okay, I'm going to directly solve them now. so இப்போ 24x less than 100 first இத solve பண்ண போறேன். so I'll have 24x less than 100. x is less than 100 divided by 24. what happens when I simplify? 4 6 are 24, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. 25 divided by 6, which is going to give me 6 4s are 24, 1 0, 6 1s are 6, 4, 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42, 6 6 are 36. So இந்த மாதிரி போயிட்டே இருக்க போகுது. So my x value is going to be less than 4.16. So x is less than 4.16. First subsection, x is a natural number. Natural number na, my natural number starts from 1. So x belongs to the values 1, 2, 3, 4. The value is less than 4.16, so it includes the value 4. Okay. So x oda value enna? This is my solution set. Okay. This is how you write your final answer. Second subsection, x is an integer. Integer na it includes all the negative numbers also. So my values end at 4. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன values இருக்கு? 3, 2, 1, 0, -1, -2, -3 and no end. Negative numbers ki end கிடையாது. So what is my solution set for x? It is going to have all the values from -infinity, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is going to include all the values from -infinity to 4, but only integers. Okay, இந்த 1.1, 1.2 இந்த மாதிரி real numbers எல்லாம் include பண்ணாது. Okay, only integer numbers. Please copy. Question number 2. Solve for minus 12x greater than 30, natural number and integer. Very, very similar to the previous question. So, அதே மாதிரி solve பண்ண போறோம். Minus 12x greater than 30. I'm going to divide both sides by minus 12. Whenever I'm multiplying or dividing by a negative number, the inequality is going to get reversed. Okay. Rule number 2. Please understand. Please remember. So, I have minus 12x divided by minus 12. Greater than becomes less than. Please pay attention. The greater than symbol becomes the less than symbol whenever you are subtracting or whenever you are multiplying or dividing by a negative number. Subtraction, addition la problem illa. Multiplication, division la mattum da inequality reverse agum. Okay. So, 30 divided by minus 12. So, I have minus 12 and the minus 12 gets cancelled. X less than 30 divided by minus 12. I can cancel this. So I'll have 2 6 are 2 15 times 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. So 5 divided by 2. So I have x less than minus 5 divided by 2, which is x less than minus 2.5. So if x is natural number, first subsection it is going to be a natural number. So x what a solution sets minus 2.5, which means the values which are less than minus 2.5 and 2 is over here. Minus 2.5 is over here, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. In the book minus 1, 0, 1. When I'm talking about x is less than 2.5, I'm going to the left of the number line, but all these numbers are not natural numbers. These are all integers. Natural numbers start only from 1. But in that value minus 2.5 lesser are, which means your solution set is going to be an empty set. There is no solution. No solution when you're talking about x is a natural number. Solution kadayadu. Second subsection it is going to be an integer. So in the case you will have solutions. When you're talking about integers, x will belong to what is all my solution set? Minus 2.5 varaikum. So minus 2 is included. Further I go minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So minus 2 is my final answer. It will include all the values until infinity, but only integers until minus 2. Okay, clear? Please copy. Question number 3. X is an integer and x is a real number. Now in I'm going to solve 5x minus 3 less than 7. 5x is less than 7 plus 3. 5x is less than 10. X is less than 2. X is an integer. So first subsection, integer na, it will have all the positive and the negative numbers. So x belongs to 2 irko, x less than. So 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on until minus infinity. It includes all the integers. Okay. Second subsection, x is a real number. Real number na x is less than 2 na, it will include all the values. 2 is not included. 2 is not included in the subset. Please pay attention. 2 is not included in the solution set. X is less than 2 na, it is going to include all the values until 1.999 varaikum include agapodhu. So x belongs to all the values from minus infinity until 2 and 2 is not included. Adnala I am putting a circular bracket. If 2 was included, I'll put minus infinity to 2 closed bracket. Okay, minus infinity ko plus infinity ko epovume circular bracket na. Only for numbers, whenever the number is included, you're going to put a square bracket, and the number is not included, you're going to put a circular bracket. Okay, so this is my range of values. Please copy. Fourth question. Solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So 3x plus 8 greater than 2. So I have 3x greater than 2 minus 8. 3x greater than minus 6, x is greater than minus 6 divided by 3, x is greater than minus 2. In that we are only dividing by positive number, divided by 3 number, okay? Even though you have a minus 6 here, in that negative number does not matter. Only when you are dividing or multiplying by negative number, the inequality changes, okay? So x is greater than minus 2 in this case. So first subsection, x is an integer. If x is greater than minus 2 na, x is going to belong to minus 2 included kadayadu. So I'll have my values starting from minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Infinity varaikum pogum, but only integers. Okay, when we are talking about real numbers, it will include all the decimal numbers, rational numbers, irrational, integer, natural numbers, whole numbers, ellame include agum. Okay, so x belongs to numbers starting from minus 2. Minus 2 length infinity varaikum irukku. Minus 2 is not included, so I am putting a circular bracket. Okay, please copy. Question number 4. Solve the inequalities for real x. So we are only going to deal with real numbers, natural number, integer. So real numbers, it includes all the values. So in the infinity lane, the minus infinity lane, the number, in the number lane, the positive infinity. Okay, so this is what we are going to deal with. So fifth question. 4x plus 3 less than 5x plus 7. I'm going to bring the 5x to the other side. So I have 4x minus 5x less than 7 minus 3. 5x in the point 3 and the point. So I have minus x less than 4. I'm going to multiply by minus 1 on both sides. So I'll have x greater than minus 4. The inequality changes when we are multiplying or dividing by negative numbers. Always remember, this is rule number 2. rule number 2, it is given in your NCERT textbook. Okay, please don't forget. -1 ஆல multiply பண்றோம், so the inequality is going to change. இந்த இடத்துல -x less than 4 x less than -4 னு எழுத கூடாது. Okay, this is wrong. You have to change the inequality. You see here, less than symbol becomes a greater than symbol when you are multiplying by -1. Okay, this is wrong. Please don't write this. So x is greater than -4. So what is going to be your range? X belongs to from -4 until infinity, not including 4. So circular bracket. Okay, please copy. Question number 6. Radagadan solve pante pola. I'm going to solve this quickly. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. 3x minus 5x. I'm bringing the 5x to the other side. Minus 1 plus 7, taking 7 to the other side. So I'll have minus 2x greater than 6. So in that I'm going to divide by -2 on both sides. So the inequality changes. Greater than enago, less than ago. I'll have minus 2x divided by -2. 6 less than divided by -2. So -2 cancel I know. So I'll be left with x less than -3. Okay, so this is my solution. So this x belongs to x is less than -3. Appo minus infinity lane -3 varaikum, not including -3. So circular bracket. Okay, please copy. Question number 7. I'm going to multiply the brackets inside. So bracket will multiply panna 3x minus 3 less than or equal to 2x minus 6. Am I going too fast? Please let me know in the comment section below. 3x minus 3 less than 2x minus 6. 3 into x, 3 into -1, 2 into x, 2 into -3. Okay. Now 3x minus 2x less than or equal to -6 plus 3. 2x இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போறேன், -3 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வரேன். Okay, so 2x becomes -2x, -3 becomes +3. So what I have 3x minus 2x is x less than or equal to -3. Very very simple. X is less than or equal to -3 na range எப்படி எழுதணும்? X belongs to minus infinity to -3 including 3. I see that there is an equality symbol here, so it includes -3. இதுதான் difference போன questionக்கும் இந்த questionக்கும். The 3 is also included. Okay, please remember. Question number 8. 3 into 2 minus x. இப்போ மறுபடியும் உள்ள multiply பண்ண போறேன். So this I'm going to multiply. This I'm going to multiply. So what I have 3 2s are 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 2x. So what I have, I'm going to take the 3x to the other side. So I'll have 6 minus 2. 2 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வரேன். So greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 3x. Clear? What am I doing? I'm taking the minus 3x here. So it becomes plus 3x. I'm taking the minus 2 here. It becomes a minus 2. Okay? 6 minus 2, 4. Greater than or equal to minus 2x plus 3x. X. So it is going to be x less than or equal to 4. I'm just rearranging this. Okay? வேற எதுவுமே நான் பண்ணல. X is less than or equal to 4. So this is my final answer. So x belongs to minus infinity to 4 including 4. இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். Okay, minus infinity வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. X is less than 4 na it will have 3 2 1 0 -1 -2 -3 இந்த மாதிரி minus infinity வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. Question number 9. I'm going to take the LCM. Okay, LCM எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? What is my LCM? 6. So I'll have 6x plus இந்த இடத்துல I'm going to multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. In that I'm going to multiply by 2. Okay, so what I have 6x plus 3x plus 2x the whole divided by 6 less than 11. There is no equal to symbol, so less than 11. If I'm going to multiply, take the 6 to the other side, multiply to the 11. So I'll have 6 plus 3 and 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11. So I'll have 11x less than 66. X is less than 66 divided by 11. So x is less than 6. So x belongs to minus infinity to 6, not including 6. Okay, please copy. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப straightforward question. It is very very easy, so please don't make mistakes. Okay, இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I'm again going to take the LCM. So x divided by 3 greater than, taking the LCM, I'll have x plus 2 divided by 2. I'm going to cross multiply. So I'll have 2x greater than 3 times x plus 2. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஸ்டெப் எழுதிருங்க and put a bracket. இல்லாட்டி what will you do? You'll only multiply 3 into x. இந்த 2 அம்போன் விட்டுருவீங்க. You also have to multiply 3 to the 2. Okay, please don't forget. So 2x greater than 3x plus 3 2s are 6. I'm going to take the 3x to the other side. So 2x minus 3x greater than 6 minus x greater than 6. I'm going to multiply both sides by -1. Multiplying by -1, equality symbol changes. Greater than becomes less than. So I'll have x less than -6. So what is my final answer? X belongs to minus infinity to -6, not including 6. Please copy. Question number 11. So in that ஏகப்பட்டது இருக்கு. So first let me cross multiply. So what happens when I cross multiply? 3 3s are 9 times x minus 2 less than or equal to 5 5s are 25 times 2 minus x. Cross multiply panna the 3 goes here, the 5 gets multiplied here. Okay, இப்போ I'm going to open the brackets. So 9 into x, 9 into minus 2. So 9x minus 18 less than or equal to 25 into 2, 25 into minus x. So 25 2s are 50 minus 25x. I'm going to take the 25x to one side, minus 18 to the other side. So I'll have 9x plus 25x less than or equal to 50 plus 18. 25 plus 9 is going to give me 34. So 34x less than or equal to 68. So x less than or equal to 68 divided by 34. 34 2s are 68. தெரியுதா? So I'll be left with x less than or equal to 2. This is my answer. So final idea x belongs to less than. So minus infinity to 2 including 2. Okay, please copy. Question number 12. I'm going to cross multiply again. So what will I have? 3 times 3x divided by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 2 into x minus 6. You understood what I did? In the 3 இங்க multiply பண்றேன், இந்த 2 இங்க multiply பண்றேன். Okay, please understand. So now I'm going to take the LCM inside before multiplying. So 3 times 3x plus 20 the whole divided by 5 greater than or equal to இங்க multiply பண்ண போறேன். I'll have 2x minus 12. 2 into x, 2 into minus 6. Okay, now I'm going to take this 5 to the other side. Cross multiplying by 5 to the other side. I'll have 3 times 3x plus 20 greater than or equal to 5 times 2x minus 12. Now I'm going to open the brackets. I have 3 into 3x, 3 into 20. So 3 3s are 9x plus 60 greater than or equal to 5 into 2x, 5 into minus 12. So 5 2s are 10x minus 60. 5 into minus 12 is minus 60. Now I'm going to bring 60 to this side and 9x to the other side. So I have 60 plus 60 greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x. Clear? In the minus 60 in the பக்கம் போகுது, so plus 60. 9x is coming to the other side, so I'll have minus 9x. Okay, now I'll have 120 greater than or equal to 10x minus 9x is 6. So x less than or equal to 120. X less than or equal to 120. I'm just rearranging, no changes. So இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்? X belongs to minus infinity to 120 including 120. Okay, so square bracket. Please copy. Question number 13. First, இதை multiply பண்ணணும். You have to multiply this, then subtract the minus 10. இந்த பக்கம் இதை multiply பண்ணணும். Okay, please don't make mistakes. Direct பண்ணாதீங்க. So first, I have 2x plus 3 minus 10 less than 6 into x minus 2. My first step is going to be 2 into 2x, 2 into 3. So 4x plus 6 minus 10 less than 6 into x, 6 into minus 2. So 6x minus 12, 4x minus 4 less than 6x minus 12. 6 minus 10 பண்றேன். 6 minus 10 is minus 4. So what is my next step? I'm going to bring minus 12 to the other side. Minus 12 இங்க வரப்போகுது. 4x is going to go to the other side. So what will I have? Minus 4 plus 12 less than 6x minus 4x. So 4 minus 4 plus 12 is going to give me 8 less than 6x minus 4x is 2x. So I have 8 divided by 2 less than x. 4 less than x. So x is greater than 4. This is my final answer. So how do I write? X belongs to 4, comma, infinity. X greater than 4 na 4 லேந்து infinity வரைக்கும். And it does not include 4. Okay, please copy. Question number 14. First, இதை multiply பண்ணணும். I'll write 37 minus 3x plus 5 greater than or equal to 9x minus 8 into x minus 3. You have to understand that it is not 9x minus 8. You have to first multiply this term, then subtract the 9x. இதெல்லாம் சின்ன சின்ன mistakes that you make in your exam. What will people do? They'll do 9x minus 8. அதுக்கப்புறம் x minus 3 தனியா பண்ணுவாங்க. இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது. Okay? You have to first multiply 8 into x minus 3, then subtract that from 9x. Okay? இந்த இடத்துலயும் அதே மாதிரி you have to first open the bracket. Minus உள்ள multiply பண்ணணும். So that is my first step. 37 minus 3x minus 5 greater than or equal to 9x. I'm going to multiply this inside. So minus 8 into x minus 8 into minus 3. So minus 8 into x is minus 8x. Minus 8 into minus 3 is plus 24. Okay? Please pay attention. So now 37 minus 5. 37 minus 5 is going to be 32 minus 3x greater than or equal to 9x minus 8x is x plus 24. I'm going to bring 24 to the other side and minus 3x to this side. So I'll have 32 minus 24 greater than or equal to x plus 3x. 32 minus 24 and I'll have 12 minus 4 is 8. So 8 greater than or equal to 4x. 8 divided by 4 greater than or equal to x. 2 greater than or equal to x, which means x is less than or equal to 2. So what is my final answer? X belongs to minus infinity to 2 including 2. Okay? X less than or equal to 2 na minus infinity வரைக்கும் values. Please copy. Question number 15. X divided by 4 less than, இந்த பக்கம் first LCM எடுத்துடலாம். So what will I have? X divided by 4 less than, I'm going to take the LCM. So first 5 times 5x minus 2 minus 3 times 7x minus 3. The whole divided by my LCM is going to be 15. Okay? இந்த இடத்துல 5 LCM. So into 5 into 5. இந்த இடத்துல into 3. இந்த இடத்துல into 3. My LCM is 15. Okay? So first I'm going to multiply these two. Then I'm going to multiply these two. Okay? So what do I have? X divided by 4 less than 5 5s are 25 minus 10 minus open a bracket. Okay, so 3 into 7x and 21x minus 3 3s are 9. In the minus I know consider பண்ணல. I'm only dealing with the plus 3. So 3 into minus 3 and minus 9. The whole divided by 15. Now I'm going to cross multiply. Cross multiply அப்புறம் பண்ணலாம். X divided by 4 less than 25 minus 25x. Don't miss the x. So I have 25x minus 10. I'm going to multiply the minus inside. So minus 21x plus 9. Okay, minus 21x plus 9 divided by 15. Now I'm going to cross multiply. So I have 15x less than 4 into 25x minus 21x. So this is going to give me 4x. 4x minus 1 minus 10 plus 9 is going to give me minus 1. So what do I have now? 15x less than 4 will multiply panna 16x minus 4. Don't forget to multiply minus 1. 4 into 4x 4 into minus 1. Okay. Now I'm going to bring the 16x to the other side. So I have 15x minus 16x less than minus 4. Minus x is less than minus 4. I need the value of x. So I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1. So the inequality changes. Okay. This is the first step. So x is greater than 4. Okay. I'm going to multiply both sides by minus 1. Minus x becomes x, minus 4 becomes 4. So it is greater than simple. Okay. Very, very simple. So how does it become? X belongs to greater than 4 na 4 length infinity varaikkum. So this is my final answer. Please copy. Question number 16. In that again I have to take the LCM. So what do I have? 2x minus 1 divided by 3 greater than or equal to, my LCM is 20. So I'm going to multiply by 5. 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x, the whole divided by 20. So I'm going to cross multiply now. What do I have? 20 into 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 times 5 into 3x minus 2 minus 4 into 2 minus x. Please be very careful. Bracket la correct போடுங்க. So I'm going to open the bracket here. 20 into 2x, 20 into minus 1. So I have 20 into 2x and I have 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 3 into, first இதை multiply பண்ணலாம். So I have 5 into 3x, 5 into minus 2. So which is 15x minus 10. Then I'm going to multiply this. Minus 4 into 2, minus 4 into minus x. Minus 4 into 2 and I have minus 8 plus 4x. So this is going to be 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 3 into bracket 15x plus 4x, which is going to be 19x. Minus 10 minus 8 is going to give me minus 18. Now I'm going to multiply the 3 inside, which is going to be 40x minus 20 greater than or equal to 3 times 3 multiply panna 9 3s are 27 2 carry over, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5, 57x minus 18 into 3. 8 3s are 24, 2 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now I'm going to take the 57 to the other side, 20 to this side. So I have 40x minus 57x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20. ரொம்ப ஸ்லோவா பண்ணுங்க. கொஞ்சமா சைன் மாத்தினா கூட மிஸ்டேக் ஆயிடும். Okay. Now 57 minus 40 is going to give me minus 17x greater than or equal to minus 54 plus 20. 54 minus 20 is going to give me 34. So this will be minus 34. Now I'm going to divide both sides by minus 17. Appo inequality changes less than or equal to. Okay. Now minus 17x divided by minus 17. Minus 34 divided by minus 17. So the minus 17 and the minus 17 gets cancelled. I'll be left with x less than or equal to 2. Minus 2 minus cancel. I know 17 and 34 it will be 2. So x is less than or equal to 2. So my x belongs to minus infinity to 2 including 2. Okay, so this is my final answer. Please copy. All the inequalities, so 17 to 20, இப்போ graph போடணும். So first value கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டு graph போட வேண்டியது. Very simple. It is very similar to how we solve the example question. Solve பண்ணலாமா? So I have 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. Bringing the 2x to the other side, 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2 minus 2 becomes plus 2 when you bring it to the other side. So I have x less than 3. இப்போ x oda value 3. So it is going to be this value. It is less than 3 and it does not include 3. So it is going to be all the values until infinity. So what is my solution? X belongs to minus infinity to 3 not including 3. So how does my solution look? It is going to look like this. Okay, so this is my solution. Please copy. Question number 18, 5x minus 3, 5x minus 3 greater than or equal to 3x minus 5, 5x minus 3x greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 3. So very simple, 2x is greater than or equal to minus 2, x is greater than or equal to minus 1. அப்படினா அர்த்தம் value of x is going to be including minus 1 until infinity. Infinity க்கு square bracket கிடையாது. So minus 1 ல இருந்து infinity வரைக்கும்னா it is going to include the value of minus 1 and it is going to extend until infinity. Okay, so this is my final solution. Please copy. Question number 19. 3 into 1 minus x less than 2 into x plus 4. So first 3 into 1, 3 into minus x. So 3 minus 3x less than 2 into x, 2 into 4. So I have 2x plus 8. 3x in the பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தா I'll have 3 minus 8 less than 2x plus 3x minus 5 less than 5x. So I have minus 5 divided by 5 less than 5x divided by 5. 5 and the 5 gets cancelled. So minus 1 less than x, which means x is greater than minus 1. Okay, so x is greater than minus 1 na x belongs to minus 1 ல இருந்து infinity வரைக்கும். So again this is going to be similar to the previous one. So minus 1 is also included. So minus 1 is not included. So minus 1 ல இருந்து infinity வரைக்கும். Okay. So this is my final solution. Please copy. Question number 20. இப்போ அதே மாதிரி LCM எடுத்து cross multiply பண்ணணும். So what will I have? X divided by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 into 5 minus 3 into 7x minus 3 the whole divided by 15. My LCM is going to be 15. Okay. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல cross multiply பண்ணா I'll have 15x divided by 2 greater than or equal to first இதை multiply பண்றேன் 5 into 5x 5 into minus 2. So I have 25x minus 10 minus I'm going to multiply 3 into 7x 3 into minus 3. So I'm going to open a bracket. Minus இருக்கிறதுனால I'm opening a bracket. So I have 21x minus 9 the whole divided by 15 கிடையாது ஏன்னா 15 multiply பண்ணியாச்சு. Now I have 15x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 25x minus 10. இப்போ minus உள்ள multiply பண்ண போறேன். Minus 21x plus 9. So minus 21x plus 9. So I have 15x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 25 minus 21 is 4x minus 1. I'm going to cross multiply 2 in the பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்தா 15x is greater than or equal to 2 into 4x minus 1. 15x is greater than or equal to 8x minus 2. 2 into 4x 2 into minus 1. Okay. 15x minus 8x greater than or equal to minus 2. 15 minus 8 panna I'll have 7x. So 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So x is greater than or equal to minus 2 divided by 7. So x belongs to minus 2 divided by 7 include I minus infinity, positive infinity வரைக்கும் இருக்கு. So how does your number line look like? Where is your minus 2 by 7? Minus 2 by 7 is nothing but 2 divided by 7 which is going to be 0.7 2s are 14. So 6, 0.2. So it is going to be somewhere here. So this point is my minus 2 by 7, minus 2 by 7. So it is going to be minus 0.2. So the point is going to be over here, minus 2 divided by 7 and it is greater than minus 2 by 7. So in the point lane the infinity வரைக்கும் until positive infinity. So this is my solution. Please copy. Question number 21. This is very similar to example question. First equation frame பண்ண தெரியணும். Equation கிடையாது inequation. Okay. Ravi obtained 75 marks in the first unit test. So first testல 70. Second testல 75. Find the minimum marks he should get in the third test. Example question மாதிரியே தான். To have an average of at least 60 marks. At least 60 na 60 இருக்கலாம், 61 இருக்கலாம் and so on. So the condition is greater than or equal to 60. At least 60. 60 இருக்கணும். So equal to வரும். Okay. Average na 70 plus 75 plus x the whole divided by 3. You have 3 different marks. So the average is divided by 3. Total divided by the number of marks. So this should be greater than or equal to 60. I'm going to cross multiply. So 70 plus 75 plus x is greater than 6 3s are 18. So 180. 70 plus 75 is 145 plus x greater than or equal to 180. Please be very careful with the calculation. X is greater than or equal to 180 minus 145. What is 180 minus 145? 7153. So x is greater than or equal to 35. So 35 marks எடுத்தாலே போதும் average 60 வந்துரும். Okay, so what is the range of values? 35 to infinity கிடையாது. Total marks 100 தான். அதனால 35 ல இருந்து 100 இதுதான் range of value. So x is greater than or equal to 35. So this is your final answer. Please copy. Question number 22. To receive grade A in one course, one must obtain an average of 90 marks or more in 5 examinations, each of 100 marks. If Sunita's marks in first 4 examinations are 87, 92, 94, 95, find the minimum marks Sunita must obtain in the 5th. So, அப்படினா என்ன அர்த்தம்? மொத்தமா average 90 marks இருக்கணும். So, she has to either score 90 marks or greater than 90 marks. So, 90, 91, 92 இந்த மாதிரி இந்த 5 எக்ஸாம்லயும் வரணும். பட் இந்த இடத்துல அவளுக்கு என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு? She has only 87 marks in the first exam. So, அப்ப 5th examல எவ்வளவு எடுத்தா average maintain பண்ண முடியும்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So, I have average is going to be 87 plus 92 plus 94 plus 95 plus x, the mark that she obtained in her 5th exam. The whole divided by how many exams? 5. Up average is going to be divided by 5. Should be greater than or equal to 90. She has to at least have the average of 90. இப்போ cross multiply பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? First I'll add these numbers. 87, 92, 94, 95. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 5, 18. 1. 9, 9, 9, 9. 9 4s are 36. 368. So I have 368 plus x greater than or equal to 9 5s are 45. So 450. X is greater than or equal to 450 minus 368. So 450 minus 368 என்ன? 4, 1, 2, 3, 140 minus 6 is going to be 8. So I have 8x greater than or equal to 82. So she has to score at least 82 marks to maintain an average of 90. 82 க்கு கீழ வாங்குனானா 90 average வராது. Okay, she'll get something around 89 point something வந்துரும். ஆனா 90 வராது. So her average, her 5th examination mark has to be at least 82 ல இருந்து 100 வரைக்கும் போலாம். She also can get 100. Okay, 100 எடுக்கலாம். அதனால closed interval. 100 எடுக்க முடியாதுன்னு கிடையாது. அதனால you should never put a circular bracket. Okay. Next question. Find all pairs of consecutive odd positive integers, both which are smaller than 10. இப்போ நம்ம example question என்ன பார்த்தோம்? We saw that both of them should be greater than 10 ன்னு பார்த்தோம். இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I'm going to take one number to be x and other number to be x plus 2. Please watch my example question for better clarity. So in that x plus 2. These are my two numbers. So I have their sum should be more than 11. Appo x plus 2 is greater than 11. This is one condition. What is the other condition? I want x to be less than 10 and x plus 2 to be less than 10. Ipo idu solve panna enagum x less than 10 minus 2. So x less than 8. So x less than 8 na I can also choose the number 7, which means it satisfies both the equations. It satisfies 7 less than 10 you satisfy panadhu, idu satisfy panadhu. So what if I take the first equation? X less than 10 edutha enagum? I can choose the number 9. But does this satisfy this equation? In the இடத்துல I have x plus 2 less than 10. When I apply 9 enagum 9 plus 2 less than 11. Sorry, 10. 11 less than 10, which is not true. அப்ப நம்ம எந்த equation எடுக்கணும் for this particular question? You have to choose this particular equation for this particular question. நம்மளுக்கு smaller than அப்படிங்கிறதுனால you have to take the larger number. In the example question you had larger than. இந்த இடத்துல smaller க்கு பதிலா you had larger than. So at that time we had chosen this particular inequality. Okay, please be very very careful on which inequality to choose. ரெண்டுத்தையுமே எடுக்க கூடாது. ஏதாவது ஒன்னு தான் எடுக்கணும். அது எதை எடுக்கணும்ங்கறத நம்ம கரெக்ட்டா பார்க்கணும். So இந்த particular case எதை எடுக்க போறோம்? We are going to take x plus 2 less than 10 because that satisfies both the equation. Okay, so I have x plus 2 less than 10. This is my other equation. Okay, so when I solve 2x plus 2 greater than 11, 2x greater than 11 minus 2, so 2x greater than 9, x greater than 9 divided by 2. அப்ப x is greater than 4.5. So x is 4.5 ஓட greater இருக்கு. இது ஒரு equation. இந்த இடத்துல இன்னொரு equation என்ன? x is less than 10 minus 2. So x is less than 8. What is my range of values? 4.5 less than x less than 8. அப்ப என்னென்ன valuesலாம் இருக்கு? We are talking about consecutive odd positive integers. So what all values can I have? 5, 6, 7. அவ்வளவுதான். 4 வராது, 8 வராது. So these are all the values that we are dealing with. So 5, 6, 7 இருக்கு. We are also dealing with consecutive odd positive integers. So if my value of x is equal to 5, x plus 2 and 9 is going to be 7. If my value of x is equal to 7, x plus 2 is equal to 9. அப்ப என்னென்ன solutions? 5, 7 and 7, 9. So these are my two consecutive odd positive integers such that ரெண்டு நம்பருமே they are smaller than 10. ரெண்டு நம்பரும் smaller than 10 and the sum is more than 11. Correct? 5 plus 7 என்ன? 12. It is more than 11. 7 plus 9 என்ன? It is going to be 16, which is also more than 11. Okay? So this is my final answer. Please copy. 24th question. Find all pairs of consecutive even positive numbers, both which are larger than 5, sum is less than 23. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துலயும் one number is x, other number is x plus 2. This is very very easy to take. அதனால இந்த மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கலாம். You don't have to take odd number அப்படினா 2x plus 1, even number na 2x அப்படினா பண்ண வேண்டாம். இப்படி பண்ணாலும் அதே தான். You have to find the value of x then substitute it in the given number. Okay, அது ரொம்ப long process. அதனால we are not doing that. We are directly taking x and x plus 2. இப்போ first என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? Their sum is less than 23. Less than or equal to கிடையாது, less than. So sum is less than 23. This is one equation. What is the other equation? Both of which are larger than 5. So I have x greater than 5 and x plus 2 greater than 5. So in the equation எடுக்கணும். Whenever we are dealing with larger, you have to take the smaller number. எதனால? இப்போ smaller number எடுத்தா x is greater than 5. So for example, if x is equal to 6, it satisfies 6 plus 2 greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. It satisfies both the equation. இப்போ நான் இந்த equation எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? x plus 2 greater than 5, x is greater than 5 minus 2, x is greater than 3. அப்ப நான் இப்ப x 4 ன்னு எடுக்கறேன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. 4 ன்னு எடுத்தா என்ன ஆகும்? இந்த equationல satisfy ஆகுமா? 4 greater than 5, which is not true. So we should not take the larger number. We have to take the smaller number when we are dealing with larger than. Okay, இதெல்லாம் tricks exam ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு, but logic என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க, இல்லாட்டி confuse ஆயிடும் examல. Okay, so we have to take the smaller condition. So x is greater than 5. So what is my other equation? x is greater than 5. இது ஒரு equation. இப்போ இத சால்வ் பண்ணலாம். 2x plus 2 less than 23, 2x less than 23 minus 2, 2x less than 21, x less than 21 divided by 2, which is 10.5. So x is less than 10.5. Range of x and x is greater than 5. So I have 5, less than x less than 10.5. So what are all the numbers that are included? We are talking about even positive integers. Real numbers na point to point decimal numbers no edukano. In the decimal numbers edukka vendam, we are dealing with integers. So what are all the numbers? X oda solution set is going to be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, also including 10. ஏனா இந்த இடத்துல highest number என்ன 10.5. So 10 is also included. So if x oda value 6 அப்படினா x plus 2 is going to be 8. X oda value 7 எடுக்க கூடாது because we are talking about even numbers. We are talking about even numbers. So x oda next value என்ன 8. So x plus 2 is going to be 10. When x is equal to 10, x plus 2 equals 12. So what are all my ordered pairs? 6, 8, 8, 10 and 10, 12. Okay, so these are all my final solutions. So condition satisfy agada, they are larger than 5. So idu larger than 5, larger than 5, larger than 5, and their sum is less than 23. 8 plus 6 is 14, less than 23. 8 plus 10 is 18, less than 23. 10 plus 12 is 22, which is also less than 23. So it satisfies the condition. Okay, please copy. Question number 25. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. மொத்தம் 3 side இருக்கு. So இப்போ longest side வந்து 3 times shortest sideங்கறாங்க. So first shortest எடுத்துக்கலாம். So I have shortest side equals x. So longest side என்ன? Longest side is 3 times the shortest side. So 3x. And the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. So third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. Longest side விட 2 centimeter short இருக்கு. இப்போ longest side 6 னா third side is going to be 2 shorter than the longest, is going to be 4. Equation எப்படி ஃபார்ம் பண்ணனும் தெரியும். Okay, so 3x minus 2, this is my third side. If the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61, perimeter னா என்ன? Sum of all the 3. So ஒரு side வந்து x, இன்னொரு 3x, இன்னொரு 3x minus 2. So the perimeter is at least 61 centimeter. அப்படினா it can also be greater than 61. At least னா அர்த்தம் 61 இருக்கலாம், 62 இருக்கலாம். So what is the condition? Greater than or equal to 61. So what is going to happen? X plus 3x plus 3x minus 2. So this is my perimeter. Perimeter is at least 61 centimeter. Find the minimum length of the shortest side. Shortest side என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So what is the value of x ன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. So what do I do? 3x plus 3x, 6x plus x is 7x. Minus 2 greater than or equal to 61. 7x greater than or equal to 61 plus 2. 7x greater than or equal to 63. 9 7s are 63. So x is greater than or equal to 63 divided by 7. X greater than or equal to 9. So the shortest side can be at least 9. So shortest side can be at least 9 centimeter. Okay. Last and the final question of the exercise. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeter. ஒரு board இருக்கு, இது 91 centimeter. He wants to cut 3 lengths. So இந்த length, இந்த length, இந்த length, equal length கொடுக்கல. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. Okay. So இப்போ let me take it like this. இது shortest, so I'm going to have this as x, and the second length. So this is my second length. So let me write shortest equals x. What else is given? The second length is 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So second is going to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. குட்டியை விட 3 centimeter ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்க போகுது. And the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. So third is going to be twice as long as the shortest. Shortest விட double இருக்க போகுது, twice இருக்க போகுது. What are all the possible lengths of the shortest board? So x என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க. If the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. இன்னொரு கண்டிஷன் என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Third is at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. So second விட third பெருசா இருக்கு. அப்போ third is 5 centimeter longer than second, which means third another 2x, second another x plus 3. So third centimeter is at least 5 centimeter longer. Abdina third centimeter is at least, meaning greater than or equal to 5 centimeter longer than the second. So plus 5. Purujada? So you should know how to frame the equation. What have they given? The third side, the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeter longer than the second. Second vida 5 centimeter ஜாஸ்தியா இருக்கும். இப்போ second oda length 10 na, third oda வந்து it is going to be 10 plus 5, 15. Okay, please be very careful when you're framing the equations. So this is your second equation. So let us solve this. So first என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? இது x, இது x plus 3, இது 2x. So in that what equation do we know? We know that x plus 3 plus 2x is less than or equal to 91. 91 வந்து total. But suppose extra bit ஏதாவது இருந்ததுன்னா நமக்கு தெரியாது. இது ஈவனா பிரிக்குமா என்னன்னு தெரியாது. அதனால we'll have less than or equal to 91. So what am I going to do? 2x plus x is 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 91. 4x less than or equal to 91 minus 3. 4x less than or equal to 88. So x is less than or equal to 88 divided by 4. X is less than or equal to 22. So this is one equation. What is my next equation? I'm going to solve this now. So இது solve பண்ண என்ன ஆகும்? I'll have 2x, I'm bringing the x to the other side, greater than or equal to 5 plus 3 is 8, x is greater than or equal to 8. So what is my range of values? 8 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 22. So what is my range of shortest side? 8 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 22. So shortest piece oda length வந்து 8 ல இருந்து 22 வரைக்கும் இருக்கலாம். So if it is 22, what are my other pieces? 22 plus 3, which is 25. 2 times 22, which is going to be 2 to the 4, 44. Okay. If my length is going to be 8, if my length is 22, x is equal to 22 na in the moon values. If my length is going to be 8, what will be my values? 8 plus 3, which is 11, and 8 plus 8 into 2, which is going to be 16. Okay, so these are all going to be my length. அதனால தான் we are doing less than or equal to minus less than or equal to 91. அதனால தான் நம்ம அப்படி பண்றோம். Value of x is going to range from 8 to 22. Correct? So the length is also going to change. இந்த இடத்துல 8 plus 11 plus 16 is going to give me 27 plus 8, which is going to be 35, which is going to be which is going to be 35. Correct? So in that 91 is satisfy agala, but it satisfies the given equation because it is less than or equal to 91. Okay. So with this we are done with the first exercise. Next exercise we'll deal with graphs, how to solve linear inequality graphs. Okay. Next exercise, linear inequalities. Now we are going to deal with graphs. Okay, so ivlo nara namba inequations ah potutrundom. We were only dealing with numbers and variables. Now we are also going to deal with graph vechi solution eppadi kandupidikkiradhu. Ipo idukku munadi varaikum enna pannom? Ipo x less than 6 abdina, what are all the solutions for 6 when it comes to real numbers? Real numbers nu varumbodhu we'll have x belongs to all the numbers from minus infinity to 6 not including 6. If x less than or equal to 6 irukna appo enna பண்ணுவோம்? We'll have x belongs to minus infinity to 6 including 6. கரெக்ட்டா இந்த மாதிரி போட்டுட்டு இருந்தோம். இப்போ இந்த கிராஃப்ல நம்ம எப்படி டினோட் பண்ண போறோம்? இப்போ x less than 6 ன்னு இருக்கு. So I'm going to take x less than 6 case. So whenever I'm drawing a graph, so if this is my graph, என்னோட 6 எங்க இருக்கு? I'll draw it properly. So I have the x axis and the y-axis. So, இப்போ this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும்போது first step என்ன? You have to write your inequation as an equation. இப்போ x less than 6 இருக்கு. So, you have to take x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6 எங்க இருக்கு? X is equal to 6 is going to be this. And how does your graph look like? You have to simply draw a linear line. So, x is equal to 6 na, x oda value is always going to be 6 no matter what your value of y is. Correct? Y oda value என்னவா இருந்தாலும் x is always going to be 6. So உங்களோட graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? இந்த மாதிரி இருக்க போகுது. இப்போ x less than 6 னா graph எப்படி போட போறோம்? இந்த இடத்துல என்ன பாயிண்ட் இருக்கு? 0, 0 இருக்கு. So இப்போ என்னோட inequationல நம்ம லைன் வரையறதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் ஈக்குவேஷன் யூஸ் பண்ணோம். Only for drawing the graph. So this is my x is equal to 6 graph. Graph வரையறதுக்கு மட்டும் தான் ஈக்குவேஷன் எழுத போறோம். மத்தபடி whenever you are finding the solutions of the inequation, you have to take the question itself. So இப்போ inequation எடுக்க போறேன். X less than 6 is my inequation. When I substitute the value 0, 0 to my inequation, y illa. So x is 0 substitute panna, 0 is less than 6. Is this true or false? This is true. So if true ngumbodhu the value of 0, 0 is included. Abdina ungaloda region enga irukku podhu? Your region that includes the solutions for the x is going to be this. So this is your region. Idha da vandu nama ivlo naal eppadi potutrundom? Indha mari potutrundom. Not including 6. So, if including 6, if x is less than or equal to 6, you are going to draw a straight line. In the straight line, x 6 include agalana eppadi poda porom? If this is my graph, x axis, y axis, if this is my point 6, I am going to draw a dotted line. So, in the dotted line pota, it means x is less than 6 and not including 6. If you are not including something, you have to put a dotted line. Okay, not including 6. If a number line eppadi potutrundom? If the number 1 is not included, we will put a hollow circle. If the number 1 is included, appo enna pannuvom? We'll put a shaded circle. Correct? This is the way of representing if it is included or not included. Innone region eppadi poda porom? Minus infinity la irundhu 6 varaikum irukku. So indha edathila minus infinity. This is going to minus infinity 6 la irundhu minus infinity. Okay, so this is how you shade your region. So adha inga kuduthirukku. So this is your theory. Whenever you have a line that is parallel to your y-axis, you will have left half plane and right half plane. Solution எங்க இருக்குன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். 0, 0 substitute பண்ணி check பண்ணணும். 0, 0 வந்து inequationல true or false ஆன்னு check பண்ணணும். True னு இருந்ததுன்னா இந்த 0, 0 side is included. If it is false, இந்த side is not included, you have to include this particular side. Okay, so இப்படி தான் நம்ம check பண்ண போறோம் inequations. You will understand this more clearly when we are solving example equations. Okay, so இப்போ அதே மாதிரி இந்த line parallel இருக்கு. Parallel இல்லாம இந்த மாதிரி slanting இருந்ததுன்னா slope மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னா அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? You will have upper half plane and lower half plane. Okay, left hand plane, right hand plane மாதிரி you will have upper half and lower half plane. Okay, so this is some basic concept that you need to know. இப்போ நம்ம examples போட்டு பார்க்கலாம். Okay, so example 9. இப்போ என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 3x plus 2y greater than 6 ன்னு கொடுத்திருக்கு. We are dealing with two variables. Until now we were dealing only with one variable. இப்போ ரெண்டு வேரியபிள் இருக்கும்போது நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First ஒரு inequation கொடுத்திருக்கு. இது ஈக்குவேஷனா எழுத போறேன். For what? To draw the graph. So என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First step I am going to write the equation. 3x plus 2y equals 6. Okay, now I am going to write x in terms of y and y in terms of x. இப்போ first step என்ன? X in terms of y, which means 3x is equal to 6 minus 2y. அப்ப x ஓட வேல்யூ என்னவா இருக்கும்? 6 minus 2y the whole divided by 3. I am writing x in terms of y. Okay, this is my first step. Second step என்ன? I am going to write y in terms of x. அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? 2y equals 6 minus 3x. What am I doing? I am bringing the 3x to the other side for y. Okay, so 2y equals 6 minus 3x. Y is equal to 6 minus 3x the whole divided by 2. If x in terms of y எழுதியாச்சு, y in terms of x எழுதியாச்சு. Let me mark this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. இப்போ graph வரையறதுக்கு we need some solutions. கரெக்ட்டா? சோ அதை எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல பாயிண்ட்ஸ் தெரிஞ்சாதான் நான் இப்போ 2, 4 3, 5 இந்த மாதிரி இருந்தாதான் you'll be able to draw a graph. இப்போ அதுவே தெரியாம எப்படி graph போடுறது? So we have to find the points to draw a graph. So எப்படி points கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? இப்போ x ஓட value 0 அப்படினா I'm going to substitute this in equation 2. So I'll have y equals 6 minus 3 times 0 divided by 2. So this is going to give me 6 minus 0 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 enna? 3. So if x oda value is 0, y oda value is going to be 3. Similarly, y oda value 0 va irundha enaagum. This is the most easiest way of finding your x and y to draw the graph. X க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணி y oda value என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். Y க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணி x oda value என்னன்னு பார்க்கணும். So this I am going to substitute in my equation number 1. Equation 1 என்ன? X is equal to 6 minus 2 into y. Y oda value is 0 divided by 3. So this is I am substituting this in equation number 1. So what will I have? 6 minus 0 divided by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is going to give me a 2. So x oda y oda value 0 na x oda value 2. So I will draw a tabular column. So x, y, x oda value 0 na y oda value is going to be 3 and y oda value 0 na x oda value is going to be 2. Okay. So this is how you have to draw a tabular column in your exam. இந்த மாதிரி tabular column போடுங்க. So இப்போ இத வச்சு நம்ம graph வரைய போறோம். So let me draw the graph for you. So x 0 na y 3. So 0, 3. I'll write the points also. So 0, 3 and 2, 0. So these are the 2 points to draw a graph. ரெண்டு பாயிண்ட் வச்சு லைன் வர முடியுமா? வரைய முடியும். Okay. So 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? This is 0, 3. So this is one point. And what is the other point? 2, 0. So it is going to be 2, 0. This is my other point. Now I'm going to draw the graph. So graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? Is going to look something like this. Okay. So this is my graph. இப்போ shaded region கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். What is my shaded region? Solution என்ன இந்தக்கு? இந்த பக்கம் is it in the upper half plane or is it in the lower half plane? We need to know this. கரெக்ட்டா? So இதை எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? Let us substitute the value 0, 0. So what is my inequation? My question is 3x plus 2y greater than 6. 3x plus 2y greater than 6 when I substitute 0, 0. 0, 0 substitute panna I'll have 3 times 0 plus 2 times 0 greater than 6. 0 plus 0 greater than 6. Is 0 greater than 6? No. So, false. So, 0, 0 is not included. Appo you have to take the other side. 0, 0 enga irukku? It is over here. It is in the bottom half of the plane. So, adha edukka koodadhu. Which half do you have to take? You have to take the upper half. Okay. So, what is your solution? This is your solution. Also, when we are dealing with strict inequality, இந்த இடத்துல straight line வரையக்கூடாது. You have to draw a dotted line. Correcta? So, when you are drawing a dotted line and erase some parts, so this is how your line should look like. It should be dotted lines. Okay? So, this is your final answer. So, your answer is the upper half plane. That's the solution. You have found the solution graphically. Okay? Please copy. Example 10. இப்போ இதே மாதிரி what is my first step? இந்த இடத்துல I see that there is no strict inequality, there is slack inequality. அப்போ நம்மளோட லைன் எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be a thick line instead of a dotted line. Okay. இப்போ first step 3x minus 6 equal to 0. Equal to 0 ஏன் போடுறோம்? To find the solutions and draw the graph. Okay. Now 3x equals 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 3, which is 2. We are dealing with only one single variable here. For example, we had two variables. Here we only have one variable. So what is my solution? 2, x is equal to 2. Y can take any value. So how does my graph look like? X is equal to 2 now. It is this particular point. And y oda value ennava irundhalum. When y oda value is 1, x is going to be 2. Y oda value 0 nalum, x is going to be 2. Okay, for any value of y, the value of x is going to be 2. So how does my graph look like? Something like this. Okay. So this is my x is equal to 2 graph. For a question, let me just write the equation. Okay. So what is this? 3x plus 2y equal to 6 oda graph. Okay. Please always mark the equations in the question. So x is equal to 2. So this is the equation. Now where does my solution lie? Ipo 0, 0 substitute panna poren. 0, 0 in inequation. So this is my inequation. This I am going to mark as 1. 0, 0 in equation 1. So 3x minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. Substituting the value of 0, 3 times 0 minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. 0 minus 6 greater than or equal to 0 minus 6 greater than or equal to 0. So this is also false. So 0, 0 is not included in the solution set. Appa enga irukudhu enoda solution? It is going to be to the right half of the plane. Okay. So this is my solution set. Please pay attention to the question. First graph போடணும். Graph போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் 0, 0 substitute பண்ணணும். அந்த 0, 0 இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். இருக்குன்னா you have to shade that particular side of the region. இல்லனா you have to shade the other side of the region. Okay? Please copy. Example 11. Solve y less than 2. இப்போ first step என்ன? Inequation இருக்கு. Equation எழுதணும். So I have y equals 2. Direct equation நமக்கு வந்துருச்சு. Now I am going to draw the graph. Y equals 2 க்கு graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? So this is my y equals 2. No matter what my value of x is, I am going to get the value of y to be 2 always. X ஓட value என்னவா இருந்தாலும் y 2 தான். So how does my graph look like? So this is my y equals 2 graph. Y equals 2. Now I have to check if 0, 0 is included. So 0, 0 in y less than 2. So 0 less than 2. This is true. So which means 0, 0 is included. Where is my 0 point? This is my 0 point. So this particular point is included. So what is my region of solution for regions? This is my region of solutions. Okay. Please copy. இதெல்லாம் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப simple. Correct solve பண்ணிட்டு value substitute பண்ணி graph போட்டா very easy. Okay. So in this we are dealing only with one particular inequation. Next exercise lana you will have 2 or 3 inequations. Adukku common solution kandupidikanum. Okay. So here we only have one solution, one equation. So idha neenga correct ah potingina you will understand. Exercise 6.2 first question. The inequation enna x plus y less than 5. So first step vandu you have to write the equation. So what is the equation? X plus y equals 5. இப்போ next step வந்து you have to write x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So அது எப்படி எழுத போறோம்? Y equals 5 minus x. Second, x is equal to 5 minus y. So this is my equation 1 and this is my equation 2. I will have my inequation to be 3. Okay, na 0, 0 substitute pannola. I will name all the 2 equations and the inequation. Now I have to take the value of x to be 0. Appo value of y என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? 5 minus 0 which is going to be 5. Similarly, y க்கு 0 போட்டா what is my value of x? X is going to be 5 minus 0 which is going to be 5. So tabular column போடலாமா? X, y, when my value of x is 0, y is going to be 5 and when my value of y is 0, x is going to be 5. Okay, so this is my tabular column. இதை வச்சு நம்ம first graph போட போறோம். First graph போடணும், அதுக்கப்புறம் 0, 0 included இல்லையான்னு பார்க்கணும். இப்போ graph போடலாமா? So 0, 5. What are my points? 0, 5 and 5, 0. So these are my points. I need to draw a graph with this. In that strict inequality இருக்கு. இந்த இடத்துல equal to symbol இல்ல. So I should not put a thick line. I have to put a dotted line. Okay, always remember. So இப்போ 0, 5. What is 0, 5? This is the point 0, 5 and this is 5, 0. Okay, so 0, 5 and this is 5, 0 and how does my graph look like? It is going to look something like this. So in the mari dotted line. Okay, so this is my x plus y equals 5 line. இப்போ equation, இப்போ நம்மளோட solution வந்து இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கான்னு பார்க்கணும். So I have to check if 0, 0 is included or not. Okay, so I have to check that. So 0, 0 in inequation 3. So what is my inequation? X plus 5 less than 5. So when I substitute 0, 0, I'll have 0 plus 0 less than 5, 0 less than 5 which is true. So which means 0, 0 is included. 0, 0 is included. So which is my region of solutions? So it is going to be the lower half plane. So this is my solution. Okay, please copy. Question number 2. So இதே மாதிரி தான் இருக்க போகுது இந்த எக்ஸசைஸ் ஃபுல்லா. So here I have slack inequality. Equal to symbol இருக்கு. So dotted line போடக்கூடாது, thick line போடணும். இதெல்லாம் first question பார்த்த உடனே தெரியணும். Okay. So இப்போ first step என்ன? 2x plus y equals 6. I have written the equation. Now I have to write y in terms of x and x in terms of y. அப்புறம் y is equal to 6 minus 2x. And what happens? இது first. ரெண்டாவது வந்து x. 2x is equal to 6 minus y. x is equal to 6 minus y divided by 2. So I'm going to mark this is my equation 1, this is my equation 2 and this is my equation 3. Okay, now x order value 0 na, what is going to be my y? Y is going to be 6 minus 2 into 0, 6 minus 0 which is 6. So x order value 0 na, y order value 6. Adhe mari y order value 0 na, x is going to be 6 minus 0 divided by 2. So this is going to be 6 by 2, 3. So I'm going to draw the tabular column x, y. X order value 0, y is 6, y order value 0, x is going to be 3. Okay. So this is my tabular column. Exam le indha tabular column podunga. So what are my solutions? 0, 6 and 3, 0. I'm going to draw the solution graph using this 0, 6, 3, 0. So where is 0, 6? 0, 6, 3, 0. So 0, 6, this 3, 0. My graph is a straight line. So this is going to be my graph. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. Now upper half plane or lower half plane check pannom. So I'm going to substitute 0, 0 in 3 which is 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. When I substitute 0, 0, I'll have 2 times 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6 which is false. 0 is not greater than 6. So 0, 0 is not included. So 0, 0 is not included. Appo enoda solution enga irukapodhu, my region is going to be the upper half plane. So I have to shade my upper half plane. So this is my final solution. So it is going to be this part. Okay. Please copy. Question number 3. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Strict inequality illa, slack inequality da irukku. So I can draw a thick line. Okay. First step, 3x plus 4y equals 12. So if x in terms of y, y in terms of x. So I have 3x equals 12 minus 4y. X is equal to 12 minus 4y divided by 3. Rendavathu 4y equals 12 minus 3x. Y equals 12 minus 3x the whole divided by 4. Now, x oda value 0 pota y ennan kandupidikanum. So if x is 0, y is going to be 12 minus 3 times 0 the whole divided by 4 which is 12 divided by 4, 3. So y oda value 0 na, x is going to be, I have to substitute it in this, in the particular equation. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So 12 minus 4 into 0 divided by 3. 12 minus 4 into 0 divided by 3. So this is going to be 12 divided by 3. 4. So if a tabular column in x, y, if x order value is 0, y is going to be 3, y order value is 0, x is going to be 4. So this is my tabular column. Solutions in 0, 3, 4, 0. Okay, மேல இருந்து கீழ வரணும். 0, 4 னு எழுதிராதீங்க. Okay, it is going to be 0, 3. Okay. Now I am going to draw the graph. 0, 3, 4, 0. 0, 3, 4, 0. Slack inequality. So I am going to draw a straight line. This is 3x plus 4y equals 12. Now 0, 0 included check pannanum. So 0, 0 in 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. Less than or equal to 12. So when I substitute the value of 0, I am going to have 3 times 0 plus 4 times 0 less than or equal to 12. 0 less than or equal to 12 which is true. 0 is less than 12. So 0, 0 is included. Okay, so what is my region? Region is going to be the lower half plane. So this is going to be the final solution. Question number 4. Y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. So first step in a line dotted line. Now y plus 8 equals 2x. Already x in terms of y da irukku. So this I am going to change it as x is equal to y plus 8 divided by 2. This is equation. Y is equal to 2x minus 8. Y in terms of x எழுதணும், x in terms of y எழுதணும். Okay, y க்கு ஒரு value substitute பண்ணா x கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கணும். X க்கு ஒரு value substitute பண்ணா y கண்டுபிடிக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்கணும். And how can I change my inequality? Inequality can be changed like this. So y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. I can bring the 2x to this side and 8 to the other side. So I'll have y minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 8. Okay, so this is my inequality. So this is in equation 3 and this is going to be 1 and this is going to be 2. Now what I'm going to do, I have to find the value of x is equal to 0. What will happen to my y? Y will be 2 times 0 minus 8. This is number 2 la irukku. Okay. So this is going to be y equals minus 8. Y equals 0 pota x oda value enna agapodhu. So when y is equal to 0, this is going to be 0 plus 8 divided by 2. 8 divided by 2 is going to be 4. So what is my tabular column? X, y. X oda value 0 na, y is going to be minus 8. Y oda value 0 na, x is going to be 4. So what are my solutions? 0, minus 8, 4, 0. So இதை வந்து இப்போ நான் கிராஃப்ல போட போறேன். 0, minus 8. Where is 0, minus 8? So this is 0, minus 8, 4, 0. So this point is 4, 0, darker line. So how does my solution look like? So it is going to look like this. This is going to be y plus 8 greater than or equal to 2x. இப்போ 0, 0 solutionல included இல்லையான்னு பார்க்கணும். I'm going to substitute it in equation 3. So 0, 0 in y minus 2x greater than or equal to minus 8. So when I substitute 0, 0 minus 2 times 0 greater than or equal to minus 8, 0 greater than or equal to minus 8. 0 is a positive number. Negative number oda definitely greater than இருக்கும். So this is true. So what is going to be my final solution? It is going to be the upper half plane. So it is going to have 0, 0 in the solution. So this is the final answer. Okay. Please copy. Question number 5. X minus y less than or equal to 2. First step, x minus y equal to 2. Y in terms of x and x in terms of y. So x is equal to 2 plus y and minus y is equal to 2 minus x. So y is equal to x minus 2. In the mari panalama, I'm just reversing the sign. Okay. Now x oda value 0 irundaduna, y is going to be 0 minus 2, which is minus 2. Y oda value 0 irundaduna, x is going to be 2 plus 0, which is 2. But tabular column enna, x, y. X oda value 0, y is going to be 2. Y oda value 0 na, x is going to be 2. So what is my solution? 0, minus 2, 2, 0. So ipo idhukku solution variyalama. 0, minus 2 is going to be this. 2, 0 in the point. So this darker line. So this is going to be the line x minus y equal to 2. Now you have to check if 0, 0 is included. So 0, 0 in, what is my equation? X minus y less than or equal to 2. X minus y less than or equal to 2. 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 2. 0 less than or equal to 2. So this is true. So 0, 0 is included. In the mari exam la eludum, okay? Included na da appo endha region nu theriyum. So which region? It is going to be the upper half region. Okay? So this is going to be the solution. Please copy. Sixth question. 2x minus 3y greater than 6. So first 2x minus 3y equals 6. Writing x in terms of y. So I have 2x is equal to 6 plus 3y. X is equal to 6 plus 3y divided by 2. Now y in terms of x. So I'm going to have minus 3y equals 6 minus 2x. 3y equals 2x minus 6. I'm just reversing the sign. Minus 1 ala multiply பண்றேன். Minus 1 ala multiply பண்ணா minus 3y will become 3y. 6 minus 2x 2x minus 6 ஆயிடும். Now y equals 2x minus 6 divided by 3. இப்போ x ஓட value 0 போட்டா y என்ன ஆகும்? Y is going to be 2 into 0 minus 6 divided by 3. This is going to be minus 6 divided by 3, which is minus 2. இப்போ y ஓட value 0 போட்டா x is going to be 6 plus 3y. So 3 into 0 divided by 2. So I'm going to have 6 divided by 2, which is 3. For tabular column x, y. X oda value 0 na, y is going to be minus 2. Y oda value 0 na, x is going to be 3. So what is my solution? 0, minus 2, 3, 0. So graph podalama. So graph is a strict inequality, another dotted line. So 0, minus 2 is going to be this. 0, minus 2, 3, 0. So 3, 0, dotted line போடலாம். Okay, so this line is going to be 2x minus 3y equals 6. நம்ம ஏன் dotted line போடுறோம்? ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல strict inequality இருக்கு. Equal to இல்ல, equal to இருந்திருந்ததுன்னா அந்த லைனுமே included. Since that line is not included, we are not drawing a thick line, but we are drawing a dotted line. இப்போ 0, 0 included ஆனா check பண்ணணும். So 0, 0 in, where do you have to substitute? 2x minus 3y greater than 6. 0 pota 0 minus 0 greater than 6, which is false. So 0, 0 is not included. Okay. So solution எங்க இருக்கு? 0, 0 இல்ல. So it is going to be the lower half plane. 0, 0 இருந்திருந்ததுன்னா it will be the upper half plane. Okay. Please copy. Question number 7. Minus 3x plus 2y equal to 0. First inequation எடுத்துட்டு equation எழுதணும். அப்புறம் x in terms of y. Now I have 2y equals minus 6 plus 3x. Y is equal to minus 6 plus 3x divided by 2. இது y in terms of x. இப்போ x in terms of y. So I'll have minus 3x equals minus 6 minus 2y. So இப்போ minus 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா 3x is equal to 6 plus 2y. X is equal to 6 plus 2y divided by 3. இப்போ x உம் y உம் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. X is equal to 0 na, y is going to be minus 6 plus 3 into 0 divided by 2. So this is going to be minus 6 divided by 2 minus 3. If y is equal to 0, x is going to be 6 plus 2 into 0 divided by 3. This is going to be 6 divided by 3, which is 2. இப்போ solution என்ன? Tabular column வரைஞ்சா x, y. X is 0, y is minus 3. Y is 0 na, x is 2. So what are my solutions? 0, minus 3 and 2, 0. இப்போ இதை graph போடலாமா? 0, minus 3 is going to be this point. 0, minus 3 and 2, 0. So this is going to be 2, 0. This is not a strict inequality. அதனால straight line வரையலாம். So how does it look like? Okay. So this is going to be the equation 3x plus 2y. Minus 3x plus 2y equals minus 6 oda graph. இப்போ 0, 0 included இல்லையா check பண்ணுவோம். So 0, 0 in, what is my equation? Minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. Greater than or equal to minus 6. 0, 0 pota I'll have minus 3 into 0 plus 2 into 0 greater than or equal to minus 6. 0 greater than or equal to minus 6, which is true. So 0 is greater than any negative number. So 0, 0 is included. Sign la romba careful irunga. Minus 6 la verum 6 nu edhirningana false nu edhirpinga. So 0, 0 is included. So what is my region going to be? It is going to be the upper half plane. Okay. Please copy. Question number 8. 3y minus 5x less than 30. So first step is 3y minus 5x equals 30. 3y equals 30 plus 5x. Y equals 30 plus 5x divided by 3. இப்போ y in terms of x எழுதியாச்சு. இப்போ x in terms of y. So I will have minus 5x equals 30 minus 3y. Minus 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா 5x equals 3y minus 30. The sign just reverses. Correct? இப்போ x is equal to 3y minus 30 the whole divided by 5. இப்போ x க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணா y என்னாகும்? Y is going to be 30 plus 5 into 0 divided by 3. 30 by 3 is going to give me 10. அதே மாதிரி y க்கு 0 போட்டா x ஓட value is going to be 3 into 0 minus 30 divided by 5. So this is going to be minus 30 divided by 5. 5, 6 are, so this is going to be minus 6. So இப்போ tabular column x, y, x oda value 0 na, y is going to be 10, y oda value 0 na, x is going to be minus 6. Okay. So this is my tabular column. So what are my solutions? 0, 10 and minus 6, 0. இப்போ இந்த graphல போடலாமா? So 0, 10. Where is 0, 10? This is 0, 10 and minus 6, 0. So this is minus 6, 0. We are dealing with strict inequality. Appo straight line varaiyakoodadhu. You have to draw a dotted line. So dotted line will look like this. So this is my equation 3y minus 5x equal to 30. Okay, less than 30 கிடையாது. இப்போ less than 30 க்கு solution எங்க கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம்? 0, 0 இருக்கான்னு செக் பண்ணணும். So 0, 0 in what is my equation? 3y minus 5x less than 30. So 0 substitute பண்ணா 3 times 0 minus 5 times 0 less than 30. 0 less than 30. So which is true? So 0 is definitely less than a bigger number 30. அப்போ 0, 0 is included. 0, 0 included na அந்த particular 0, 0 எங்க இருக்கோ அந்த region shade பண்ணோம். 0 எங்க இருக்கு? It is in the lower half plane. So I have to shade this particular region. So இங்க தான் solution set இருக்கு. Okay, please copy. Question number 9. Y less than minus 2. First step, y equals minus 2. இந்த இடத்துல எதுவும் x in terms of y, y in terms of x லாம் எழுத வேண்டாம். I only have y equals minus 2. So x ஓட value என்னவா இருந்தாலும் y is always going to be minus 2. So this point is minus 2, 0. அப்படியே straight line வரைய வேண்டியதான். So y equals minus 2 will look like this. But you should not draw a straight line because there is strict inequality. So dotted lines. So this is going to be y equals minus 2. இப்போ 0, 0 included ஆனா check பண்ணணும். So 0, 0 in y less than minus 2. 0 substitute பண்ணா 0 less than minus 2 which is false. Correcta? Minus 2 is a negative number. 0 cannot be less than a negative number. So 0, 0 is not included. 0, 0 is not included. So which is your region? Which do you have to shade? Bottom half. Okay, so this is your final answer. Please copy. Question number 10. X greater than minus 3. போன question மாதிரியே தான், பட் இந்த இடத்துல x இருக்கு, இன்னொன்று less than பதிலா greater இருக்கு. So first step, x equals minus 3. அப்போ graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? x equals minus 3. So it is going to be this particular point and I have to draw a dotted line. Thick line வரையக்கூடாது because there is strict inequality. Okay. So this is going to be x is equal to minus 3, 9. X is equal to minus 3. போன questionல this is y is equal to minus 2. Okay, அதையும் எழுதிருங்க. X is equal to minus 3. So now I have to check if 0, 0 is included. So 0, 0 in x greater than minus 3. 0 greater than minus 3. 0 is definitely greater than a negative number. So this is true, which means 0, 0 is included. அப்போ region எங்க இருக்க போகுது? Where is 0, 0? It is in the right half plane. 0 point எங்க இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கணும். So 0 எங்க இருக்கு? Right halfல இருக்கு. So இதுதான் final answer. Okay, இதை மட்டும் erase பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Please copy. So with this we are done with exercise 6.2. இப்போ until now we were dealing only with one single inequation. கரெக்டா ஒரே ஒரு inequation தான் இருக்கு. From the next exercise you will be dealing with multiple inequations. அதுக்கு common solution கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So our next topic is solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல two different equations இருக்கு. போன exerciseலயுமே நம்ம two variables தான் பார்த்தோம். பட் இவ்வளோ நாள் நம்ம என்ன படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தோம்? இப்போ வந்து x plus y equals 2, x minus y equals 4 ரெண்டு solution இருக்கு, ரெண்டு equation இருக்கு. So I'm going to solve this. How do you usually solve this? Elimination methodல பண்ணுவோம், கரெக்டா? So I have x plus y equals 2, x minus y equals 4. I'm going to add the two. So I'll have plus y minus y cancel ஆயிடும். So I'll be left with 2x equals 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So x is equal to 3. இப்போ x ஓட value தெரிஞ்சு போச்சு. I'm going to substitute it in one of the equations to find the value of y. அப்போ என்ன வரும்? x minus y equals 4. x ஓட value 3. So 3 minus y equals 4. So minus y equals 4 minus 3. y is equal to minus y is equal to 1. So y is equal to minus 1. So இப்போ x ஓட value என்ன? 3 and y ஓட value is minus 1. So I have found out what my common point is when it comes to two equations. So இப்போ x-க்கும் x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1க்கு நம்ம common solution கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Okay, now I'm going to solve this graphically. This is how I solve this theoretically. Graphically எப்படி solve பண்ண போறோம்? So இப்போ x plus y equals 2 இருக்கு. I'm going to write x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So x plus y equals 2 na x is equal to 2 minus y and y is equal to 2 minus x. So இப்போ x க்கு y க்கு x ஓட value 0 போட்டா I'll have y is equal to 2. y ஓட value 0 போட்டா x is equal to 2. I'm not going to solve this like how I solved the previous exercise. போன exerciseலயே நிறைய practice பண்ணி tabular column எப்படி போடணும்னு கத்துக்கோங்க. எக்ஸாம்ல tabular column மட்டும் போட்டா போதும். So இப்போ என்ன solution இருக்கு? I'll have 0, 2 and 2, 0. So இப்போ இத கிராஃப்ல எப்படி plot பண்ண போறோம்? This is going to be 0, 2 and this is going to be 2, 0. So we are dealing with slack inequality, so I drew a straight line. இப்போ அடுத்த equation என்ன? X minus y equals 4. So x minus y equals 4. So x is equal to 4 plus y. இது ஒரு equation. Y is equal to x minus 4. Y இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போயிட்டேன், 4 இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன். So y equals x minus 4. இப்போ tabular column எப்படி வரும்? X, y. X ஓட value 0, y is going to be 4. Y ஓட value 0, x is going to be 4. Okay. I put 0 here. I put 0 here, so I got y oda value to be 4. I put 0 here, I got the value of x to be 4. So this is my other tabular column. So what are my solutions? 0, minus 4 and 4, 0. இப்போ இத கிராஃப்ல போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? 0, minus 4 is going to be this. 0, minus 4 and 4, 0. So 4, 0 is going to be this. So when I join these two, what will I have? So where does this meet? It meets over here, and what is this point? This point is going to be 3, minus 1, and the solution தான் நமக்கு இங்க கிடைச்சது. So this we found the solution of this graphically, இது theoretically. So this is the theory way of solving this, and this is the graphical way of solving this. Okay, so இந்த மாதிரி graphs தான் நம்ம இந்த exerciseல பார்க்க போறோம். But instead of equations, we are going to deal with inequations. So இந்த ஒரு single point இல்லாம I'm going to find the entire region where the solution lies for the inequality. Okay, so you will understand this more clearly when I'm solving the example question. So please follow. Okay. So இப்போ moving on to example 12. இப்போ ரெண்டு different inequation கொடுத்திருக்கு. I have to solve and find the solutions for these two inequalities. இப்போ first step என்ன? I'm going to take my first equation. So I'll have x plus y greater than or equal to 5. இதுதான் inequation. First என்ன எழுதணும்? Equation எழுதணும். So I'll write x plus y equals 5. இப்போ x is equal to 5 minus y and y equals 5 minus x. X in terms of y எழுதியாச்சு, y in terms of x எழுதியாச்சு. இப்போ tabular column x, y. Please follow my previous videos to watch exercise 6.2. அதில் இன்னும் டீட்டெயிலாக நான் போட்டிருக்கேன். x in terms of y, y in terms of x ன்னு individual steps போட்டிருக்கேன். இனிமே examல you have to directly draw a tabular column, write the answer. So இப்போ x ஓட value 0 னா x க்கு 0 போட்டா y ஓட value is going to be 5. y க்கு 0 போட்டா x ஓட value is going to be 5 again. So this is my first tabular column. So solutions என்ன? 0, 5 and 5, 0. First in the graph போட்டுடலாமா? Straight line போட்டுடலாம். So this is going to be 0, 5 and this is going to be 5, 0. 0, 5 and 5, 0. I'm going to draw a thick line. So I'll join the line. So this is x plus y equals 5 ஓட graph. இப்போ அடுத்தது என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? The other one is x minus y less than or equal to 3. So this is my first one. This is my second inequation. So இப்போ இதை first எப்படி எழுதுவோம்? X minus y equals 3. இப்போ x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So I'll have x is equal to 3 plus y. Y is equal to x minus 3. Okay, you understand? I'm taking the y to the other side and 3 to this side. So x minus 3 is equal to y ன்னு வரும். So இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் value போடலாமா? So x, y. x ஓட value 0 னா y is going to be minus 3. y ஓட value 0 னா x is going to be simply 3. So this is my tabular column. So what are the solutions? 0, minus 3, 3, 0. Downwards போனோம். இப்படி 0, 3 and minus 3, 0 ன்னு எழுதிராதீங்க. Okay? Now, I'm going to mark this in the graph and draw a graph for this. So 0, minus 3 எங்க இருக்கு? 0, minus 3 is over here. 0, minus 3 and 3, 0. Where is 3, 0? This point is 3, 0. So when I join these two, it has to intersect the other equation also. So அந்த மாதிரி extend பண்ணி line வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். So this is the equation x minus y equals 3. இப்போ இங்க என்ன தெரியுது? I see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 different regions இருக்கு. இந்த 4 regionலயுமே எது காமன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். You have to see which point is common. So how do you do that? So first inequationக்கு you have to find if 0, 0 is included. So I'm going to put 0, 0 in x plus y greater than or equal to 5. X plus y greater than or equal to 5. I also have to put 0, 0 in what is my other equation? X minus y less than or equal to 3. So இப்போ இதுக்கு போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 5. 0 greater than or equal to 5. So this is false. So 0, 0 is not included. எதுக்கு? First equationக்கு. Not included. இதுக்கு 0, 0 போட்டா 0, 0 in this. I'm going to have 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 3. 0 less than or equal to 3 and this is true. So 0, 0 is included for this particular equation. Is included. இப்போ ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே region shade பண்ணலாமா? So first equation க்கு 0, 0 is not included. So which is my first equation? X plus y equals 5 is my first equation. 0, 0 is not included. So it is going to be my upper half plane. So in the plane இருக்க போகுது. Now I'm going to change the color. What is my other equation? X minus y equals 3. இப்போ இதுக்கு 0, 0 is included. Where is my 0, 0? It is over here. So எந்த part included? So this particular region is included. So what is common for both the equations? எந்த region common இருக்கு for both? This particular region is common for both. So the first region is the solution for the first question. புரிஞ்சுதா? இப்படி தான் எழுதணும். So region 1 is the solution. Region 1 is the solution. You have to find a common region for both. So this is how you solve inequalities with two or more inequations graphically. Okay? Please copy. Example 13. இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல 3 different inequations இருக்கு. So ஒன்னொன்னா போடலாம். So what is my first one? 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40. இதுலயுமே எல்லாமே slack inequality. So you can draw a thick line. So first 5x plus 4y equals 40. So x in terms of y எழுதுனா 5x is equal to 40 minus 4y. X is equal to 40 minus 4y divided by 5. Similarly 4y equals 40 minus 5x. Y equals 40 minus 5x divided by 4. இப்போ x க்கு y க்கு substitute பண்ணலாமா? So x, y. x ஓட value 0 இருந்ததுனா this is going to be 40 by 4 which is 10. So y ஓட value is going to be 10. Y ஓட value 0 இருந்ததுனா this is going to be 40 by 5 which is 8. 5 8s are 40. So this is my tabular column. So solutions என்னவா இருக்க போகுது? 0, 10 and 8, 0. So 0, 10 and 8, 0. So இதுக்கு graph வரையலாமா? 0, 10 is going to be this point. 0, 10 and 8, 0. So it is going to be this particular point. So இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் join பண்ணா I'll have. So this is going to be x 5x plus 4y equals 40 oda equation. What are my other two equations? X greater than or equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the equation. X is equal to 2 is very easy to draw. So this point is x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 line எப்படி இருக்கும்? It is so the x is equal to 2 line. What is my third equation? Y greater than or equal to 3. Y greater than or equal to 3. So this is going to be y equals 3. So I have three different inequations. That's first புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. So this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3. Y equal to 3 எங்க இருக்க போகுது? Y equal to 3 is going to be over here. So y equal to 3, I'm going to draw the line. So this is y equals 3. இப்போ மூணுத்துக்குமே solution கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். How am I going to find the solution? First 0, 0 in 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 40. What is my other one? 0, 0 in x greater than or equal to 2. 0, 0 in y greater than or equal to 3. So இதுக்கு 0 substitute பண்ணா 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 40. So this is true. So 0, 0 included. இந்த இடத்துல 0 greater than or equal to 2 false. 0 is not included. இந்த இடத்துல 0 greater than or equal to 3 which is again false. So first மட்டும் தான் 0, 0 included. For the other two equations it is not included. So how does this look? 5x plus 4y equals 40. In the line the solution 0 include ஆக போகுது. So this is going to be the bottom half. So this is going to be the region. ரெண்டுத்துக்கு மித்த ரெண்டுத்துக்கு it is going to be this. So 0 is not included for x is greater than or equal to 2. So it is going to be this side. So it is going to be this half of the plane. And for y greater than or equal to 3, again it is not going to include the 0. So it is going to be this side. So இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்குமே common area எங்க இருக்கு? What is my common area? I see that this triangle is the common shaded region for all the three inequations. So in the shaded region தான் is the solution. Okay. In total how many regions do I have? Region 1. இந்த இடத்துல region 2, region 3, region 4, 5, 6 இந்த மாதிரி எக்கச்சக்கமா region இருக்கு. So region 1 is the solution. Okay. Please copy. Question number 14. Solve the following system of inequality. So the first step in I'm going to have 8x plus 3y equal to 100. So 8x plus 3y equals 100. X in terms of y in terms of x. So I'll have 8x is equal to 100 minus 3y. X is equal to 100 minus 3y divided by 8. அதே மாதிரி y எப்படி எழுத போறேன்? 3y equals 100 minus 8x. So this is going to be y equals 100 minus 8x divided by 3. இப்போ x ஓட value, y ஓட value 0 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? When x is equal to 0, I'll have y equals 100 divided by 3, which is going to be 100 divided by 3 பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 3 3s are 9, 10, 3 3s are 9, 1, 0. So it is going to be 33.33. So in the mari value varapodhu. So this is going to be 33.33. Okay. Now what happens when y is equal to 0? Y is 0 pota, y equals 0. So x is going to be 100 divided by 8. So this is going to be 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 25 divided by 2 is going to give me 12.5. Okay, now what is the tabular column? X, y. X is 0 now, y is going to be 33.33 and so on. Y is 0 now, x is going to be 12.5. So this is my tabular column. So இப்போ solutions எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 0, 33.33 and 12.5, 0. So இதோட points எல்லாம் எங்க இருக்கு? 33.33 is going to be in between 30 and 35. Correct? So this point is going to be 33.33. I'll write this 33.33. And 12.5 எங்க இருக்கு? 12.5 is exactly between 10 and 15. So this point is 12.5. So in the point is going to be 12.5, 0, and this is going to be 0, 33.33. So 0, 33.33. This is slack inequality. So I'm going to draw a thick line. So I'll have this to be the equation, which is 8x plus 3y equals 100. இப்போ what are my other two equations? So இதுக்கே வந்து ரெண்டு region இருக்கு தெரியுதா? So this is my upper half and this is my lower half. So இது ரெண்டுத்துல எதுன்றதை நம்ம எல்லா inequationோட கிராஃபையும் போட்டுட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் பார்க்கலாம். So I have x greater than or equal to 0, which means x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 na in the line it is going to be my x is equal to 0 no matter what my value of y is, it is going to be 0 only. So இந்த இடத்துல 0 வந்ததுன்னா x ஓட graph is going to be this. Whatever my value of y is, it is going to be this particular line. Similarly, when y is greater than or equal to 0, what is my other equation? Y is greater than or equal to 0, which means y is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 now, we are talking about the y axis. When y is equal to 0, we are talking about the x axis. Okay, always remember this. This is a basic concept. So this particular point is y is equal to 0. If 0, 0 included, I check panni the region shade pannom. So I'm going to put 0, 0 in 8x plus 3y less than or equal to 100. This is our equation. X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So in this 0 pota, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 100. So this is true. Similarly, in that x is 0 pota, I'll have 0 greater than or equal to 0. This is also true. This is 0 pota, 0 greater than or equal to 0. This is also true. So how does my solution look like? Region every variable poro. So I'll have 8x plus 3y equal to 100 is 0, 0 included. So it is going to be my bottom half plane. So it is going to be this particular point. Innonenna, it is going to be this region. And for y equal to 0, it is going to be the upper half plane. So it is a common region and it is going to be this particular triangle. So this is the final shaded region. So this is the solution. Okay. Shade with pencil in your examination. So this is going to be my final solution. Region 2 is the solution. Okay. Please copy. Example 15. இப்போ இங்க 4 equation இருக்கு. Similarly, x greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0 இருக்கு, which is going to be my y axis and x axis. So this is simply going to be my y axis. போன questionல தான் பார்த்தோம். And this is going to be my x axis. இப்போ first ரெண்டு inequation பண்ணலாமா? So x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. So first equation x plus 2y equals 8. X is equal to 8 minus 2y. 2y is equal to 8 minus x. Y is equal to 8 minus x divided by 2. So இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் 0 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? When x is equal to 0, I'll have y equals 8 by 2, which is 4. Y is equal to 0 now, I have x is equal to 8. So this is my tabular column. So என்னென்ன solutions? 0, 4, and 8 comma 0. So first let me plot this 0 comma 4. So this is 0 comma 4. இதுக்கு 8 comma 0. 8 comma 0. There is slack inequality. அதனால direct straight line வரையலாம். So I'll draw this. So this line is going to be x plus 2y equals 8. What is my other inequation? 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. So 2x plus y less than or equal to 8. Equation எழுதுனா I'll have 2x plus y equals 8. X in terms of y, y in terms of x. So I'll have 2x is equal to 8 minus y. X is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. அதே மாதிரி y is going to be 8 minus 2x. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி எழுதின equation மாதிரியே தான் இருக்கு. So when I have x and y, x க்கு 0 போட்டா I'll have y is equal to 8. Y க்கு 0 போட்டா I'll have x is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So I'll have 0 comma 8 and 4 comma 0. 0 comma 8, 4 comma 0. So let me mark them in the graph. 0 comma 8 எங்க இருக்கு? So this point is 0 comma 8. And what is my other point? 4 comma 0. So this is 4 comma 0. So when I join these two, this is also a slack inequality, so straight line. So this is going to be 2x plus y equals 8. இப்போ ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே 0 0 included ஆன்னு check பண்ணணும். So I'll have 0 comma 0 in 2x plus y less than or equal to 8 and 0 comma 0 in x plus 2y less than or equal to 8. So இப்போ இதுக்கு 0 0 substitute பண்ணா I'll have 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 8, 0 less than or equal to 8, which is true. அதே மாதிரி இதுக்கு 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 8, 0 less than or equal to 8, which is also true. So இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே shaded region எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to be 0 and 0 are included. So இதுக்குமே lower half plane, இதுக்கும் lower half plane. So for this line also it is going to be the lower half plane. And what is your x greater than 0 and y greater than 0? So it is going to be this part, correct? So it is going to be this side. X greater than 0 na இந்த பக்கம் இருக்க போகுது, y greater than 0 na இந்த பக்கம் இருக்க போகுது. So what is your common shaded region going to be? So x greater than 0 na it is going to come to this side. I'll take a different color. So x greater than 0 na இந்த பக்கம் வர போகுது and y greater than 0 na இங்க வர போகுது. But for this equation it is going to be over here in the line க்கு, and for this line it is going to be over here. So this is going to be a shaded region. Okay, so please pay attention when you are talking about x greater than 0 and y greater than 0 na, we are always talking about the first quadrant. When it comes to x greater than or equal to 0 and y greater than or equal to 0, we are talking about the first quadrant. Okay, so that is very very important. Please copy. So with this we are done with example questions. Let's move on to some exercise questions. Exercise 6.3. First question very very easy. So first என்ன inequality இருக்கு? X greater than or equal to 3. அப்ப x is equal to 3. அதே மாதிரி y greater than or equal to 2, which means y is equal to 2. 0, 0 included இல்லையா நீங்க செக் பண்ணிடலாம். Please watch my previous videos for example questions. அதுல இன்னும் டீடைலா எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணிருக்கேன். இதுல நான் கொஞ்சம் ஃபாஸ்டா போறேன் when it comes to very very basic questions. Okay? இப்போ 0 0 included 0, 0 in x greater than or equal to 3, 0 greater than or equal to 3, false. அப்போ 0, 0 not included. அதே மாதிரி இங்க 0, 0 in y greater than or equal to 2, 0 greater than or equal to 2, which is also false. So ரெண்டு கேஸ்லயுமே 0, 0 not included. So first x is equal to 3 line எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? This is x is equal to 3. No matter what my value of y is, this line is always going to be there. Y is equal to 2 na, it is going to be this particular point. So this is x equals 3 and this is y is equal to 2. ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே 0, 0 not included. So அதோட region எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 0 not included for y equals 2 na, it is going to be this particular area. And x is equal to 3 க்கு 0 not included na, it is going to be this particular area. So இப்போ ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் common area எது? Common area is going to be this. So இங்கேந்து வரும். So this part is going to be my common area. இதுக்கு கீழே shade பண்ணக்கூடாது. Be very careful while you are shading. Please copy. Question number 2. 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So 3x plus 2y equal to 12 first எழுதணும். அப்புறம் x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So I'll have 3x is equal to 12 minus 2y. x equals 12 minus 2y divided by 3. அதே மாதிரி y எப்படி எழுதலாம்? 2y equals 12 minus 3x. y equals 12 minus 3x divided by 2. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் வேல்யூ போட போறேன். So x is equal to 0 na y is equal to 12 divided by 2 which is 6. Y is equal to 0 na x is equal to 12 divided by 3 which is 4. So this is my tabular column. So solutions 0, 6 and 4, 0. So this graph varanja, I'll have 0, 6 over here and 4, 0 over here. So this is going to be the line. Slack inequality, so straight line. This is 3x plus 2y equals 12. And what are my other equations? X greater than or equal to 1, which means x is equal to 1. Y greater than or equal to 2, which means y equal to 2. இப்போ இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் graph வரையணும். X is equal to 1 na, it is going to be this particular point. So no matter what my value of y is, it is always going to be 1 for all the values of y. So this is going to be x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 எங்க இருக்கு? It is this particular point. So y is equal to 2 is going to look like this. So this is y is equal to 2. இப்போ இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் common region என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So 0, 0 first included ஆன்னு check பண்ணணும். இந்த point included na அந்த particular region shade பண்ணணும். அந்த point 0, 0 included இல்லனா you have to shade the region where 0, 0 is not included. So 0, 0 first எங்க substitute பண்ண போறோம்? 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12. So 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12, which is true. So அப்போ 0, 0 is included. Where an equation x greater than or equal to 1 la 0 போட்டா 0 greater than or equal to 1, which is false. So this is not true. அடுத்து y greater than or equal to 2 la 0, 0 போட்டா 0 greater than or equal to 2. This is also false. So in the ரெண்டு cases-க்கும் 0, 0 is not included. For the first case 0, 0 is included. So how does the graph look like? First included. So it is going to be the lower half. It is going to be this part. And for x greater than 1 line எங்க இருக்கு? It is not going to include 0, so it is going to be the right half plane. So இந்த இடத்துல இருக்கும்போது y equal to 2 it is not going to include 0, so it is going to be the upper half plane. So இப்போ இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் common region எது? I see that this particular region is the common region. Correct? It includes all the values. Y greater than 2 க்கு மேல இருக்கு. Y greater than 2 க்கு it is going here. X greater than 1 க்கு it is going to the right, and for the equation it is coming over here. So in the region தான் common for all the three equations. Okay, so this is the particular shaded region. Please complete. Question number 3. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. இப்போ இதுக்கு எப்படி எழுத போறேன்? 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6. So the equation is going to be 2x plus y equal to 6. இப்போ இதுக்கு x in terms of y and y in terms of x. So I'll have y equals 6 minus 2x. X is equal to 6 minus y divided by 2. Correct? 2x is equal to 6 minus y. X is equal to 6 minus y divided by 2. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் value substitute பண்ணா I'll have when x is equal to 0, y is going to be 6. When y is equal to 0, x is going to be 6 divided by 2, which is 3. So இப்போ இதோட solution set எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 0, 6 and 3, 0. Slack inequalities. So this is going to include the line also. So 0, 6 is over here. 0, 6 and 3, 6 is over here. So 3, 0. Sorry, 3, 0 is over here. So how does the graph look like? It is going to be a straight line. So this line is 2x plus y equals 6. இப்போ இன்னொரு equation என்ன இருக்கு? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. So the equation is going to be 3x plus 4y equals 12. 3x is equal to 12 minus 4y. X is equal to 12 minus 4y divided by 3. அதே மாதிரி 4y equals 12 minus 3x. Y equals 12 minus 3x the whole divided by 4. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் value substitute பண்ணோம், x and y. When x is 0, y is equal to 12 minus 0 divided by 4. 12 by 4, which is 3. அதே மாதிரி y க்கு 0 substitute பண்ணா 12 by 3, which is 4. So what is the solution set going to be? 0, 3 and 4, 0. So இப்போ இத graphல substitute பண்ணா there is 0, 3. So this point is 0, 3 and the other point is 4, 0. So it is going to be 4, 0. So I'm going to join this line. So I'll have this is the equation. This is the graph. So இது எதோட equation? 3x plus 4y equals 12 ஓட equation. So இப்போ இதோட graph எல்லாம் எங்க இருக்க போகுது? I'm going to check if 0, 0 is included for both. So So 0, 0 in 2x plus y, 2x plus y greater than or equal to 6, and 0, 0 in what is my second inequation, 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 12. இப்போ இதுக்கு 0 போட்டா 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 6, which is false. அதுக்கு 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 12, 0 less than or equal to 12, which is true. அப்போ இதுக்கு 0, 0 is included, இதுக்கு 0, 0 is not included. So how does the graph look like? For 2x plus y greater than 6, 0, 0 is not included. So in the particular line, 0, 0 included illa. So I am going to draw the arrow mark to the other side. In that 0, 0 is included. So I am going to draw the graph to this side. So it is going to be this. 0, 0 is included. So what is the common region here? Common region it is going to be here. So this particular region is the common region. You see that? So it is going to be this particular region. So in the region la dhaan irukku. Please copy. Next question. X plus y greater than or equal to 4. So x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y equal to 4. If x in terms of y, y in terms of x. So I'll have x equals 4 minus y and y equals 4 minus x. So x, y. X oda value 0 na, y is going to be 4. Y oda value 0 na, x is going to be 4. So what is my solution? 0, 4 and 4, 0. So first is the graph varayalama. So 0, 4 is over here. 0, 4. 4, 0 is over here. So 4, 0. So in the rendu line join panna poren. This is a slack inequality. So I am going to draw a line. Thick line. What is my other one? 2x minus y less than 0. In there the strict inequality, please pay attention. So I'll have 2x minus y equal to 0 to find the solutions. So I'll have 2x is equal to y. So x oda value, y oda value. If x oda value 0 pota, y is going to be 0. Y oda value 0 pota, x is going to be 0. So you have to check for something else. So if 2x is equal to y. From this I see that 2x is equal to y. So when my value of x is 1, y is going to be 2. When my value of x is 2, y is going to be 4. Do you see that? So in the solutions vechu podlam. So now what are my solutions? 0, 0, 1, 2 and 2, 4. So in the mari suppose questions la vande inequations in the mari irukuna, you have to go for other values apart from 0 for x. Okay. So how does this look like? 0, 0, 1, 2. So this is going to be 1, 2. 2, 4 enga irukku? It is going to be this. So how does my equation look like? It is going to be, when I join these, I am going to join with dotted line. So this is going to be 2x minus y equals 0. If this renduthukku solution set enga irukku? First I have to check 0, 0. So 0, 0 in first equation enna, x plus y greater than or equal to 4. Rendavadhu 0, 0 in 2x minus y less than 0. 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 4. 0 greater than or equal to 4, which is false. 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 4. So 0, 0 is not included. So in that 0, 0 substitute panna enna agum? I have 0 minus 0 less than 0, 0 less than 0. So ipo idha vechi nama enna kandupidikiradhu? How can you say which side it belongs to? Indha pakkam iruka illa indha pakkam iruka nu eppadi theriyum? So you are going to take a different point. So I am going to check for a different point. Which particular point am I going to take? Ipo indha side and side check panna poren. I will take a point which is over here. I will take a point which is over here. Okay. So this particular point is going to be 2, 1. So I am going to check if 2, 1 belongs to the equation. So 2, 1 check pannalama. 2, 1 in 2x minus y less than 0. So I have 2 times 2 minus 1 less than 0. So 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 less than 0, 3 is less than 0. So which is false. Abdina anartham 2, 1 is not included. 2, 1 not included na, the graph is going to go to the other side. So in the side la included. Okay. Be very careful. 0, 0 mattume ella question ko substitute panna mudiyadhu. So in that way you have to take a different point to actually check. Ena 0, 0 is a point itself. Correct? Adnala you have to take a different point to check. So what is my common shaded region where both the regions are included? So it is going to be this particular area. So in the region shade pannu. Okay. So this is the final solution. Please copy. Question number 11. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 4. 2x plus y equals 4. So 2x is equal to 4 minus y. X is equal to 4 minus y divided by 2. அதே மாதிரி y equals 4 minus 2x. Pretty straightforward. So x க்கு y க்கு value போட்டா when x is 0, y is equal to 4. When y is 0, x is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is going to be 2. So solutions என்ன 0, 4 and 2, 0. I'm going to plot this. So 0, 4, 2, 0. This is a slack inequality. So straight line போடலாம். Use a scale in your exam. So this is going to be 2x plus y equals 4. What is my other equation? X plus y less than or equal to 3. இங்க 3 equation இருக்கு. 1, 2, 3. Okay, please pay attention. So x plus y equals 3. So x is equal to 3 minus y. Y is equal to 3 minus x. So tabular column எப்படி வரும்? X, y, when x oda value is 0, y is going to be 3. Y is 0 na x is going to be 3. So what is my solution? 0, 3 and 3, 0. I'm going to draw the line. So 0, 3 எங்க இருக்கு? This is 0, 3. This is 3, 0. I'm going to join them again. So this is x plus y equals 3. X plus y equals 3. மூணாவது என்ன? 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6. So 2x minus 3y equals 6. 2x is equal to 6 plus 3y. X is equal to 6 plus 3y divided by 2. அதே மாதிரி y க்கு எழுதுனா minus 3y equals 6 minus 2x. Minus 1 ஆல multiply பண்ணா 3 1 is equal to 2x minus 6. Y equals 2x minus 6 divided by 3. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் போட்டா x, y, when x oda value is 0, I'll have minus 6 divided by 3, which is going to be minus 2. Y is 0 pota, 6 divided by 2, which is going to be 3. So what is my solution? 0, minus 2 and 3, 0. When I plot this, 0, minus 2 is over here and 3, 0 is over here. So when I join these, I'll have this. So if 0, 0 included on check பண்ணனும். So this line is going to be 2x minus 3y equals 6. For all the three cases, I have to check for 0, 0. First equation ku 0, 0 pota enagum. I'll have 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 4, which is false. Okay. Next ku 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 3, which is true. Third ku 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 6, which is also true. So first equation ku 2x plus y equals 4 ku it is false. So 0, 0 is not included. So for this particular line, it is going to go to the other side. So in the line இன்னொரு side போகுது. In the equation x plus y less than or equal to 3, it is true. So x plus y less than or equal to 3, it is going to come to this side. So it is going to be true. What is my other equation? 2x minus 3y less than or equal to 6, 0, 0 இருக்கு. So it is going to go to the upper half plane. So it is going to be this. So இப்போ இதோட common solution எங்க இருக்கு? So I have to check. So this particular equation, it is over here. In the equation இங்க இருக்கு, இதுக்கு இங்க இருக்கு. So this small triangle is the shaded region. Okay? Correct shade பண்ணுங்க. Please copy. Question number 12. X minus 2y less than or equal to 3. X minus 2y equals 3. So x is equal to 3 plus 2y. 2y minus 2y is equal to 3 minus x. 2y is equal to x minus 3. Multiplying by minus 1. So I'll have tabular column pota when x is equal to 0. What is my y? I'll write another step for y. So y equals x minus 3 divided by 2. If tabular column pota x is equal to 0 na y is equal to minus 3 divided by 2. And y is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So what is my solution? 0, minus 3 by 2. Here 3, 0. So I'll draw the graph. 3 by 2 na another it is 1.5. So where is 1.5? 0, minus 1.5 is over here. This is minus 1.5. So this is 0, minus 3 by 2 and 3, 0. So this is the point. I'm going to join the line. This is slack inequality. So I'm going to join the line. So this line is x minus 2y equals 3. What is my other equation? 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. So 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 12. So this is 3x plus 4y equals 12. One equation in terms of the other, I'll have 3x is equal to 12 minus 4y. X is equal to 12 minus 4y divided by 3. Adhe mari 4y equals 12 minus 3x. So y is equal to 12 minus 3x the whole divided by 4. If x and y value pota, when x is equal to 0, I'll have 12 by 4 which is 3. Y is 0 pota, I'll have 12 by 3 which is 4 again. Okay, so this is my tabular column. So solution is 0, 3 and 4, 0. So I'll plot this in the graph. 0, 3 is over here and 4, 0 is over here. Okay, I'll draw the line. This is a slack inequality. Another line so this line is going to be 3x plus 4y equals 12. Innor equation is x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 0. Nalavadhu y greater than or equal to 1. Y greater than or equal to 1. So this is going to be x is equal to 0 and y equals 1. So I'll draw this. X is equal to 0 is going to be the y axis. So this is going to be x is equal to 0 and y equals 1. So this is y equals 1. So if this common solution kandupidikalama. So idhukku 0 pota 0 minus 0 less than or equal to 3 true. Idhukku 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 12 false. Idhukku 0 podakudadhu. Let's try with 1. So 1 greater than or equal to 2 which is true. So idhukkume I am going to check for 0 greater than or equal to 1 which is false. So oru equation paakalama. First 0, 0 is included for x minus. So in the line ku 0, 0 is included. So I am going to have this particular line. Rendavathu line ku 0, 0 is not included. So it is going to go to the other side. So in the pakkam podhu. So the third equation 1 is included. So 1 is included na x is equal to 0. Okay, it is going to go to the right hand side. Y greater than or equal to 1. 0 is not included. So upper. So the top side. So what is the common solution? I have to check for everything. If x is equal to 0, in the pakkam varudhu. So this will be included. Apro y is equal to 1 ku this particular line. In the equation, in the line ku in the area. And for this particular line, it is this area. Okay, so this is going to be my shaded region. Okay, correct ah podunga. So இந்த லைனுக்கு மேல இருக்கு, இந்த லைனுக்கும் மேல தான் இருக்கு, இந்த லைனுக்கு ரைட்ல இருக்கு, இந்த லைனுக்கு மேல இருக்கு. So this is correct. Okay, please copy. Question number 9. 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. So 5x plus 4y less than or equal to 20. Equation என்ன? 5x plus 4y equals 20. இந்த மாதிரி எதுக்கு equate பண்றோம்? To find the graph. Okay, எதுக்குனே தெரியாம பண்ணக்கூடாது. 5x is equal to 20 minus 4y. X is equal to 20 minus 4y divided by 5. அடுத்தது 4y equals 20 minus 5x. Y equals 20 minus 5x divided by 4. இது எதுக்கு பண்றோம்? To find the value of x and y for which x is equal to 0 க்கு y என்ன value, y is equal to 0 க்கு x என்ன value கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So when x is 0, I'll substitute 0 here. So I have 20 divided by 4 which is 5. Y க்கு 0 போட்டா I have 20 divided by 5 which is 4. So என்ன solution வருது? 0, 5 and 4, 0. I'm going to plot this in the graph. 0, 5 எங்க இருக்கு? இங்க இருக்கு. 4, 0 is going to be here. And we are talking about slack inequality. அதனால direct line வரையலாம், dotted line தேவையில்லை. So I'm going to join these 2 points. So this particular line is going to be 5x plus 4y equals 20. What are my other two inequations? Pretty straightforward. X greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. So x greater than or equal to 1, y greater than or equal to 2. So idhukku x is equal to 1, idhukku y equals 2. So idoda graph eppadi irupodhu? X is equal to 1 and it is this particular point. So no matter what my value of y is, x is always going to be 1. So this x is equal to 1 line, y is equal to 2 is going to be this particular line. This y equal to 2 point, y equal to 2 it is going to be parallel to the x axis. Okay, this is basic concept. Now 0, 0 included and check pannalam. So 0, 0 in 5x plus 4y, what is the inequation? Less than or equal to 20. So less than symbol paathale 0, 0 definitely included dana. 20, 0 less than or equal to 20. So this is going to be true. What is my other equation? 0, 0 in x greater than or equal to 1, 0 போட்டா 0 greater than or equal to 1, which is false. So 0, 0 is not included. மூணாவது என்ன இருக்கு? y greater than or equal to 2, இதுக்கு 0 போட்டா 0 greater than or equal to 2, this is again false. So first case க்கு மட்டும் தான் 0, 0 is included, for the others it is not included. So first caseல it is included, so 0, 0 வரும். ரெண்டாவது கேஸ்ல it is not included for the other two cases. So y equal to 2 க்கு 0 கிடையாது, so மேல போய்டும். x is equal to 1 க்கு 0 கிடையாது, so rightல போய்டும். So what is going to be the common shaded region? For x is equal to 1, rightல இருக்கு. So x is equal to 1 line, it is going to be over here. And for y is equal to 2, it is going to be over here. And for this, it is going to be over here. So this is the shaded region. Okay? Please pay attention while you are shading the regions. Please copy. Question number 10. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. நிறைய questions போட்டுட்டே இருந்தானா ஒரு clarity வரும். Okay? Please do regular practice. 3x plus 4y equals 60. 3x is equal to 60 minus 4y. X is equal to 60 minus 4y divided by 3. அதே மாதிரி 4y equals 60 minus 3x. Y is equal to 60 minus 3x divided by 4. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் value போட்டா when x is equal to 0, I have 60 divided by 4. 60 divided by 4 பண்ணா 4 ones are 4, 2, 4 5s are 20. Okay? So y value 15 ஆக போகுது. Y 0 போட்டா x is going to be 60 divided by 3. 3 2s are so 20. So it is going to be 20. So what are my solutions? The solutions are going to be 0, 15 and 20, 0. 0, 15, 20, 0. So என்னென்ன points I'm going to mark them in the graph. 0, 15 is over here. 20, 0 is over here. Graph மே அது தகுந்த மாதிரி போடுங்க. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I have written in terms of 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20 அந்த மாதிரி போட்டிருக்கேன். So கிராஃபும் அந்த மாதிரி உங்களுக்கு எப்படி கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி ரேஞ்சில் எடுத்து போடுங்க. Okay? So this is going to be a slack inequality. So straight line. Strict நால it is not included. அதனால dotted line போடுவோம். Slack na it is included. அதனால straight line போட போறோம். So this is going to be 3x plus 4y equals 60 ஓட line. இப்போ இன்னொரு equation என்ன? x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. x plus 3y less than or equal to 30. So the equation is going to be x plus 3y equals 30. So x is equal to 30 minus 3y and y 3y is equal to 30 minus x. So y is equal to 30 minus x divided by 3. இப்போ x க்கும் y க்கும் value போட்டா when x is equal to 0, y is going to be 30 by 3 which is 10. y க்கு 0 போட்டா x is going to be 30. So இப்போ இதை plot பண்ணா 0, 10 and 30, 0. So 0, 10 எங்க இருக்கு? This is 0, 10 and 30, 0. So this is going to be 30, 0. So இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் join பண்ணா I'll have the equation of the line. So this is going to be x plus 3y equals 30 oda line. What are the other two equations? X greater than or equal to 0, y greater than or equal to 0. So this is going to be the x axis and the y axis. X greater than 0 na y axis, y greater than 0 na x axis. Okay, இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். So this is going to be x equal to 0. This is going to be y equals 0. Okay, இப்போ 0, 0 எங்க இருக்குன்னு செக் பண்ணலாம். So 0, 0 in first inequation என்ன? 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. 3x plus 4y less than or equal to 60. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 60. 0 less than or equal to 60, which is true. அடுத்தது 0, 0 in what is my other inequation? X plus 3y less than or equal to 30 இங்க இருக்கு. So I have 0 plus 30 less than or equal to 30, 0 less than or equal to 30, which is again true. So ரெண்டு கேசஸ்லயுமே 0, 0 is included. X greater than 0 க்கும் y greater than 0 க்கும் 0 included ஆன எப்படி தெரியும்? I have to substitute some other value. So இப்போ x க்கு 1 substitute பண்றேன், y க்கும் 1 substitute பண்றேன். So it is definitely in the upper half plane. So x greater than 0 க்கு it is going to be over here. Y greater than 0 க்கு it is going to be the upper half plane. ஏன்னா இந்த இடத்துல 1 substitute பண்ணா I'll have 1 greater than 0. Okay, புரியுதா? And for the other two cases 0, 0 is included. So how does it look like? So in the case it is going to come down, and also for this graph it is going to come down. Okay, so what is going to be my common area? Common area shade panna, it is going to be, x equal to x க்கு இந்த சைடு இருக்கு, y க்கு இங்க இருக்கு. For the first equation it is over here and for the other line it is over here. So this is my shaded region. Okay, please be very careful while shading. Please copy. Moving on to question number 5. Inequation என்ன? 2x minus y greater than 1. இந்த இடத்துல strict inequality இருக்கு, அதனால dotted lines வரையணும், straight line கிடையாது. Okay, so first step I have to write the equation. 2x minus y equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1 plus y. X is equal to 1 plus y divided by 2. அதே மாதிரி y equals 2x minus 1. I took the y to the other side and 1 to this side. Okay, இப்போ x y க்கு வேல்யூ போடலாமா? When x is equal to 0, y is going to be minus 1. When y is equal to 0, x is going to be half. Okay, அதே மாதிரி இப்போ இதோட சொல்யூஷன்ஸ் என்ன? 0, minus 1, half, 0. Similarly for the next inequation எழுதிடலாம், or I'll plot this first. So where is 0, minus 1? So this point is 0, minus 1 and half, 0. Where is half, 0? So இது half. So this is going to be half, 0. So என்னோட equation எப்படி இருக்கும் போது, என்னோட line எப்படி இருக்கும் போது, is going to be this. So this is 2x minus y equals what? அதே மாதிரி ரெண்டாவது inequation என்ன? x minus 2y less than minus 1. x minus 2y less than minus 1. x minus 2y equals minus 1. x is equal to minus 1 plus 2y. y is equal to minus 2y is equal to minus 1 minus x. Multiplying both sides by minus 1, I'll have 2y equals 1 plus x. y is equal to 1 plus x divided by 2. இப்போ x y க்கு வேல்யூ போடலாமா? So I have x, y. When x ஓட வேல்யூ 0, y is going to be half. y ஓட வேல்யூ 0 இருந்ததுன்னா x is going to be minus 1. So what are the solutions? 0, half and minus 1, 0. So இதோட graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? 0, half is going to be here. So this point is half. So 0, half and minus 1, 0. Where is minus 1, 0? So this is minus 1, 0. So இதோட graph எப்படி இருக்கும் போது, it is going to look like this. Now I have to check if 0, 0 is included or not for both the cases. So 0, 0 in first equation 2x minus y greater than 1. So 0 pota 0 minus 0 greater than 1, 0 greater than 1, false. Second 0, 0 in x minus 2y less than minus 1. When I put 0, I'll have 0 minus 0 less than minus 1, 0 less than minus 1. 0 cannot be less than a negative number, so this is also false. So ரெண்டு கேஸ்லயுமே it does not include 0, 0. So what will I have? First equation la, so this is my other equation. X minus 2y equals minus 1. You have to see that this crosses. இதுதான் வந்து point of intersection. Okay, so this particular line crosses. So இந்த graph வரையும் போது ப்ராப்பரா ஸ்கேல் வச்சு வரைங்க. So I see that 0, 0 is not included. இங்கேயும் 0, 0 is not included. But what is my common shaded region? It is going to be this particular graph. இந்த இடத்துல இருந்து this is my common shaded region. Okay, please be very careful while plotting the graph. Scale வச்சு கரெக்டா போடுங்க. Question number 6. x plus y less than or equal to 6. இப்போ slack inequality வந்தாச்சு. So x plus y less than or equal to 6. x plus y equals 6. x is equal to 6 minus y. y is equal to 6 minus x. இப்போ x க்கு y க்கு value x is equal to 0, y is going to be 6. When y is equal to 0, x is going to be 6. So solution என்ன? 0, 6 and 6, 0. I'm going to plot this. So 0, 6 is going to be here and 6, 0 is going to be here. I'm going to join the line. So this equation is x plus y equals 6. Innor equation enna? It is going to be x plus y greater than or equal to 4. x plus y equals 4. x is equal to 4 minus y. y is equal to 4 minus x. Or equation in terms of the one variable in terms of the other variable. So x y and x oda value is 0. y is going to be 4. y oda value is 0 na x is going to be 4. So what are the solutions? 0, 4 and 4, 0. So I'm going to draw the graph. 0, 4 is over here. 4, 0 is over here. If you either join panna, I'll again have a straight line. So this is going to be x plus 4, x plus y equals 4. If 0, 0 included, check panlama. So 0, 0
in x plus y less than or greater than. So less than or equal to 6 and 0, 0 in x plus y greater than or equal to 4. X plus y greater than or equal to 4. Inge 0 pota 0 plus 0 less than 6, which is true. So 0 is definitely less than 6. Inge 0 plus 0 x plus y greater than or equal to 4 here. Please change. 0, 0 greater than 4. 0 is greater than or equal to 4, which is false. So, one solution is 0, 0 is included, the other one it is not included. So, x plus y less than or equal to 6 ki included. Edhukku included, edhukku not included, please pay attention. So, idhukku 0, 0 is included. X plus y less than or equal to 6, 0, 0 is included. So, for this line, 0, 0 is included. X plus y greater than or equal to 4, 0, 0 is not included. So, in the line, it is going to go to the other side. So, what is the common area? Which region should you shade? In the region is the solution. Okay. Please shade the correct region in your exam. So, this is your answer. Please copy. Question number 7. 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. So 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. 2x plus y equals 8. One variable in terms of others. Y equals 8 minus 2x. X is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. 2x is equal to 8 minus y. So x is equal to 8 minus y divided by 2. If x and y value put when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 8. When y is equal to 0, x is equal to 8 divided by 2, which is 4. So solutions in 0, 8 and 4, 0. I'm going to plot this. So 0, 8 this is 0, 8 and this is 4, 0. Okay, points along correct graph la mark panna theriyano. Aduvume theriyalana exam la adukku bodhu dhaan mudikka vendidha. Okay, so this is going to be a slack inequality. So straight line varapodhu. So this is going to be the graph. 2x plus y equals 8. Adhe mari innor equation enna? X plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. X plus 2y equals 10. Now one variable in terms of other, x is equal to 10 minus 2y, y is equal to 10 minus x divided by 2. Now x and y value, x is equal to 0, y is going to be 10 by 2, 5. Y is equal to 0, x is going to be 10. So solutions are 0, 5 and 10, 0 going downwards. Okay. So where is the graph? 0, 5 is 0.5. So this is going to be 0, 5 and 10, 0. So this is going to be 10, 0. So if you join panna, I'll have. So this line is going to be x plus 2y equals 10. Okay. So this is solution 0, 0 included check panno. So 0, 0 in 2x plus y greater than or equal to 8. The other inequation is 0, 0 in x plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. X plus 2y greater than or equal to 10. So, inga 0 substitute panna 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 8. 0 greater than or equal to 8, which is false. 0 cannot be greater than or equal to 8. In the edathila potta 0 plus 0 greater than or equal to 10. 0 greater than or equal to 10, which is again false. So, rendu cases kume 0, 0 is not included. So, rendu line ku enga varapodhu? It is going to go to the other side. 0, 0 illa. So, idukume inge dhaan popodhu. So, what is going to be a common shaded region? I'm going to shade the region. So, it is going to be this. So, inge we shade pannom. In the line length, it is going to take all the solutions that are over here. Okay. Please copy. Question number 8. X plus y less than or equal to 9. X plus y less than or equal to 9. So, equation is x plus y equals 9. ரொம்ப simple இதெல்லாம். கரெக்ட்டா நம்ம சால்வ் பண்ணி கிராஃப்ல கரெக்ட்டா சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணாலே போதும். எந்த ரீஜன் நம்ம கரெக்ட்டா தெரிஞ்சிரும். லைனே தப்பா வரைஞ்சா சொல்யூஷன் தப்பா தான் வரும். ஓகே? அதனால ப்ளீஸ் பே அட்டென்ஷன். You all know how to do this. Silly mistakes மட்டும் பண்ணாம இருங்க. Y equals 9 minus x. So, இப்போ x and y value, when x is 0, y is going to be 9. When y is 0, x is going to be 9. So, solution என்ன? 0, 9 and 9, 0. So, இப்போ 0, 9 எங்க இருக்கு? 9 is over here. இங்கேயும் 9 is over here in between 8 and 9. So, இந்த இடத்துல இது வந்து 0, 9, இது 9, 0. So, I'm going to join these two. I see that it is a slack inequality. So, it is going to look like this. It is going to be a straight line. X plus y equals 9 oda line idu. Okay. What is my other equation? Y greater than x. So y equal to x na enna artham x y, when x is 0 y is 0, when x is 1 y is 1, when x is 2 y is 2, இந்த மாதிரி it goes on. So where does it go? 0 0 2 2 4 4 6 6 இந்த மாதிரி லைன் போகும். So y is equal to x graph எப்படி இருக்க போகுது? It is going to look like this. But it is not a straight line. You have to remember that it is a strict inequality, அதனால dotted line வரையணும். So this line is going to be y is equal to x line. What is my other equation? X greater than or equal to 0. So x greater than or equal to 0, x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 line is no matter what your value of y is, it is going to be 0 always. So x is equal to 0 now we are talking about the y axis. So in the line varum y axis now it is going to be this. Since this is a slack inequality, I am going to draw a straight line. So this x is equal to 0 line. So இப்போ இது எல்லாமே 0, 0 included ஆன்னு check பண்ணோம். So 0, 0 in what is my first inequation? X plus y less than or equal to 9. So x plus y less than or equal to 9. 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 9. 0 less than or equal to 9. Is it true? Correct. So this is true. அடுத்த equation என்ன? Y greater than x. Y greater than x. இதுக்கு நம்மளால 0, 0 substitute பண்ண முடியாது because you see in the graph that 0, 0 itself is a point. அப்ப வேற ஏதாவது ஒரு point எடுத்துக்கலாம். So இந்த இடத்துல என்ன point இருக்கு? I see that I have a point 4, 0. So I am going to test for 4, 0. So 4, 0 போட்டா என்ன ஆகும்? I am going to test for 4, 0. X oda value 4, y oda value 0. 0 is greater than 4, which is not true. So this is going to be false. அப்போ இந்த side it is not going to get included. Okay. This is my other one. X greater than or equal to 0. So இதுக்கு 0, 0 substitute பண்ணா 0 greater than or equal to 0, which is true. Okay. So அந்த line is also included. But இந்த பக்கமா அந்த பக்கமா எப்படி தெரியும்? X is equal to 0. So இந்த பக்கம் வந்து again I am going to check for 4, 0. So 4, 0 போட்டா 4, 0. I'll check for 4, 0. So this is going to be 4 greater than or equal to 0, which is true. So அப்போ 4, 0 side இருக்கு. So இப்போ எந்தெந்த சைட்லாம் இருக்கு கரெக்டா மார்க் பண்ணோம். So first equationக்கு 0, 0 is included. First equation 0, 0 is included. So it is going to be the bottom half of the plane. Y greater than x க்கு 4, 0 is not included. 4, 0 not included, it is going to be the upper half plane. கரெக்டா lower halfல தான் 4, 0 இருக்கு, which is not included. அடுத்தது x greater than 0, we check for 4, 0 again, which is true. அப்ப x greater than 0 it is going to be this side. 4, 0 included na இந்த point included. So இப்போ இதோட common region and I am going to shade the common region. Where is the common region? x க்கு இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு, இதுக்கு இந்த லைனுக்கு இந்த பக்கம் இருக்கு, y greater than 0 க்கு எங்க இருக்கு, y equals x க்கு இங்க இருக்கு. So this is going to be my shaded region. Okay. கரெக்டா எந்த region shaded அதை பார்த்து shade பண்ணுங்க. So this is my final answer. Please copy.